be able to now, yeah, you should be able to see that. So if you look at competition scores, that gives you both the matches and, of course, the results. And the numbering of the video windows should now match that sheet, right? So 16A, for example, that's up in the corner for me at least, is going to be member A of Team 16.
Yeah.
And so forth.
Yeah, I see what you're doing here. Excellent.
Yeah. Good. Fantastic. Yeah, you can, if you have to, you can join from two devices. I'm just concerned of bandwidth, not at the Zoom end, but at your end. So if one's on data, one's on Wi-Fi, that's probably okay. But I would try to limit that just to avoid complexity too. So Robin, you figured out you can hide non-video participants, right? I don't know if you click on any one of the video windows on the three dots and scroll down, you can hide non-video participants, which highlights people that are showing video.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that will make it super useful. So folks, the other thing we're going to do, of course, yeah, just to answer actually the question that just came up. When we start, we're going to ask you all to unmute. Now, don't talk over Robin or I, ideally. So if you can hear us talking, please, go quiet for a second, let us talk. If we have a problem or we can't be heard, we will mute. We both have the ability to mute everyone. And we will do that. But we may then ask you to unmute again, just so we can hear you cheering for your robots. If you have a particularly noisy background, then please don't unmute, okay? Depends how noisy it is. But you can certainly unmute when your robot is running, right? I mean, it'd be nice to hear the sound effects of the robot itself. And be able to hear you. Okay, so okay, yeah, I'm seeing some good video feeds of surfaces. Some will be hard to see exactly what's going on. Okay, and please, everyone, also do remember, if we do lose your video feed and what have you, I mean, it's your responsibility to enter your score in the scoring sheet. So I hope you all have that open. Yeah, just hopefully everyone understands the scoring system, right? I'm sorry, no. Everyone's entering their own score regardless of whether you lose video or not. Okay, so you've got it. We will check at the end of every match and make sure that that the scores have been entered before we move on. Okay, but keep track of your own scores. If you're unsure of how to score your run, go to audio and have a conversation with us at the end of the match. Right. So remember, you get 1 point for every can. If cans of two different orientations have been collected, you get an extra 2 points, right? So if you pick up a can that's lying down and one that's standing up and you return them both, that's 4 points. And of course, you get a bonus point if your recycling bin is 8 inches tall. Okay. Hopefully everyone understands that scoring method. If you assist, I mean, obviously that'll affect your points. So you'll enter 0 or whatever. Yes, Christian, you get 2 bonus points if you get both orientation. Yeah, if you're unclear, just definitely pull up the latest rules, and you'll see under scoring it says 2 extra points are awarded if at least 2 cans are starting in different orientations, and they're both returned to the bin within the minute. So they have to be returned to the bin, not just picked up. If your bin is 8 inches, yes, of course, you do have to score at least 1 point to get the bonus point.
So how many people here actually had their families clear out entire rooms of their house for this course? Like I'm seeing Team 14 there. Looks like some serious moving of the couches was performed, which is awesome. I should say that in MEC 25, I think it might have been MEC 253 actually, in 1991 roughly, I built a wind tunnel in my parents' basement that required removing some of the sort of 70s rec room paneling so as to have proper airflow. So I appreciate very much people's parents letting them modify their houses for the purpose of engineering science.
Yeah, I've seen a few parents stepping over competition surfaces in the kitchen.
Excellent.
Yeah. It's my apologies to all the parents that are watching. We're not starting match 1 at 10 a.m. sharp. I'm going to start talking at 10 a.m. sharp, and I've got a few things to say for everyone on YouTube as well. And then we'll start the matches. Unfortunately, this year we decided it's going to be difficult for us to do any sort of music. But you're welcome to at your end while your robot is running. You're more than welcome to playing some music. Particularly if you're running as a team, that'll be simpler. And I just realized, Robin, I don't have any indication on that schedule which teams are sharing a surface or have to run one robot after the other.
Right.
But it'll become pretty obvious, I think, when people come up for their video feed.
Right. Okay.
And it should be actually obvious from the lettering, because if you see a team that just says, or an entry that says just 14 or something like that, let me actually scroll down. You can see this in the participants. There's a few teams that you just see one number, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, now I don't see any weirdly.
Oh, actually, yeah, some of the team labels have 7B, D. So presumably,
yeah, and then you see team 13, for example, is just one entry. Team 14 is just one entry, so they're all together.
Okay.
And also for you, Robin, not obvious in the competition scoring sheet, and not obvious in the schedule. Actually, let me maybe edit that. Robin, I sent you a link to the other schedule spreadsheet, right? Like,
yes, you
the one
sent
with
me
the
the
team names.
robot team media sheet. And you sent me the media sheet, you sent me the competition rules, and you sent me the schedule Google Doc. But hang on, what else is there? Oh, this other Google Doc.
There's a second Google Doc that's private, but let me make this edit. I'm going to make it on the scoring one so that there's so far 3 teams 2, 3, and 4 that will do their entertainment portion only after they've been eliminated, because it may be destructive.
Excellent.
So,
all right.
Yeah, just keep that in mind. So if you haven't tested your video, please absolutely do, and make sure that it's pointing at your surface so that we can see your robots. I definitely want to make sure that's done now as opposed to later. Okay, 9A. 9A, that video angle will be challenging. Okay, there we go. Much better.
There you go, in landscape.
Ben, 6A, I hope you're also moving your video to so we can see the surface better. And Holden, your video is blank. If you're having technical issues, let us know.
Oh, there you go.
There, excellent. Oops, I've been ignoring the chat. Let's see.
There's a question about having your video on for every match. I think the goal was to only have your video on if you're in a match. Is that right, Andre?
That's correct. Yeah, I did not have that question.
We'll announce that. But yeah, you want to turn your video off. Having tested your video, you want to turn your video off until you're in a match.
Yeah. And are you allowed to share screen and play music during entertainment? Can you play it through the microphone? That'd be a heck of a lot easier. Am I missing chat messages or? Oh, okay, I'm just catching up on chats here. Team 4, yeah, absolutely. That's a great time to do it. So that's no problem. You can do your entertainment between round robin and elimination. And yes, indeed, your video is only on if you're competing. And yeah, I guess if you're going to share something for your entertainment, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah. You might want to quickly check that you're able to do that. I don't know if you need special permissions, but. What's disabled screen sharing? Is that media? Are you able to enable screen sharing for everyone? Is that even an option? I'm not seeing that. Media, I don't know if you're able to figure that one out.
Can you say that again?
Can you enable screen sharing for people? And yes, you're using the group stage pattern right now.
I think it's under share screen, and I just clicked on multiple participants can share simultaneously. Might that be it?
That might be. Do you want to 16A? Do you want to, Dante? Do you want to try again? Okay, yeah, that seemed to work. Yeah, that is also working. Okay, we're getting close to starting. I hope teams 1 and 7 and then 9 and 12 are getting ready. You should be setting up. Team 9, I think it's possible to screen share and stream video. Yeah, I try it. Okay. So we're seeing.
Nice.
Excellent. I wonder if we can hear the music though. Try playing it for a second. I'm not hearing anything. Yeah, I have a feeling that you have to set something to. Hmm. Yeah, guys that are trying to get the music on there is some buttons off your microphone button that you can get to. Yeah, I think you're there. Okay, FYI, we're going to be starting in just a minute here. Okay, hopefully you can figure that out. All right. I'm going to be recording this.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah, there you go. And I think if we're all ready to go, I'll ask you all to. Oh, now I'm getting echo. Who is not muted that needs to mute? Huh. Robin, did you change anything in your sound?
Nope.
Okay, no, it stopped. All right.
That stopped, yeah.
Okay. So if you're broadcasting video right now, turn that off, please, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, well, we'll go ahead and start. So for anyone watching on YouTube, welcome. My name is Andre Marziali. This is Engineering Physics, and this particular event is the robot competition in the second year Summer of Engineering Physics. We've run this course for 20 years. This is actually the 20th anniversary of this course, and Robin Coop, who's here with me as MC for the day, was actually one of the creators along with myself and John Nakane of this course. This is a course we modeled really after courses that were being used at MIT and Stanford and Georgia Tech to try to teach students prototyping skills, electronic skills, integration of software, hardware, and electronics as quickly as possible. We set it up as a robot competition. And we did one thing differently from what MIT was doing at the time, for example, which is MIT was using Lego to make the course easier. And we decided from the very beginning that we would actually let students build their own circuits, build their own mechanical systems, using relatively complex tools in general. I know when we started the course, actually, most people that saw us doing this thought that it would crash and burn and students wouldn't be able to build robots at all. We were instantly surprised by the incredible performance our students showed, particularly given this is a second year course. I mean, the equivalent course that Stanford runs in graduate school, not in second year. And I think it's just a testament to the quality of our students in engineering physics that this course works at all. Now, this year, of course, I was hoping we would do something special for the 20th anniversary. What I did not expect is that we wouldn't be able to run the course at UBC. So, of course, with COVID-19, we have not been able to access the rooms, the labs, the equipment that we would normally have for the students to build robots. So what we did in rather a hurry at the beginning of just before the beginning of the term was to renumber the course to reduce its tuition credits, allowing our students to have a little bit of extra cash that they invested in tools. So everyone in this class now has a soldering iron, an oscilloscope, a voltmeter, and a few basic tools at home that would allow them to build and debug electronic circuits. And we then shipped them the basic components required to build the circuits for a robot. So a microprocessor. If you hear reference to a blue pill, that is the blue pill STM32 processor. It's a commonly used processor in industry. In fact, it's the same processor that we used in my company for our DNA concentration equipment. So real devices, not toys. This is not Lego Mindstorms or Vex or any of the robotics kits that you see for kids. And we've sent students motors and servos and resistors, capacitors, transistors, everything they needed to build some relatively sophisticated circuits to run these robots. Of course, where we, I think, really lacked mechanical tool access was on the mechanical side. So you'll see most of the robots are built from corrugated plastic that can be easily found at various hardware stores, and hot glue. Okay, so everyone's been using hot glue guns and various tools to cut the plastic, but they've still started generally with computer-aided design. So using Onshape and similar to design the robots and then fabricate it out of plastic. I think some teams, at least one team, had access to a 3D printer, so you may see some 3D printed parts in the designs as well. As I was telling everyone earlier, I'm incredibly impressed at the performance of the robots that we are seeing. Our inability to be in contact with the students has made it hard to actually help students fix their circuits and software and mechanical systems particularly. And yet it seems that there's a real, majority of the robots that are working or have worked. And again, for those of you watching that aren't in the class, there may be robots that don't work today that have worked previously, and I hope you'll help us in cheering on those students. You know, we had a time trials a couple of weeks ago, and I've seen videos and watched robots over online video feeds in the last few days, and I can say that you know, the majority of the robots have been working now, which I think is a huge accomplishment. I mean, it just really reflects, I mean, both the quality of our students, but also the incredible amount of time they've been putting in recently, while trying to also complete a full course load in their summer term. So congratulations to all of you for getting where you are. For those of you watching, the competition today is a recycling competition. Okay, so the students have set up roughly 8 by 8 foot surfaces in their homes where space was available. In some cases, it might be a little bit smaller. And I've just issued them a pattern in which to lay down soda cans that they now have to go and pick up and put in a recycling bin. So you're going to see various strategies of that. Some robots will go pick up the cans, return them to a bin. Some will try to take the bin with them to put the cans in it. And you may see some other things as well. So the scoring, roughly speaking, is for every can that you put in the bin within a minute, you get a point. If you return cans that started in different orientations, one standing up, one lying down, of course, making that mechanically a harder challenge for the robot, then you get 2 bonus points. And if the recycling bin has walls that are at least 8 inches high and you return at least 1 can, you also get a point, and a bonus point. Now, in addition, I've asked all the students to have the robot do something entertaining after the heat, and we'll see various segments of that throughout the competition as people finish competing and we have them do their entertainment portion. I'm hoping some of these robots can be kept for future in-person events for engineering and physics, where maybe some of these entertainment moments can be replicated and used to entertain you know, people that come and visit UBC. So what's at stake today? Obviously, this is the final exam for the course, not normally done so publicly, but this has always been a unique course. There are also prizes at stake, other than, you know, bragging rights for the next 3 years of the program for anyone who wins this competition. Competition is team-based. Every student has had to build their own robot, but teams will compete as teams. There are 4 students per team, with 1 team of 3 and 1 team of 5. The score for each team will be the average of the robot scores for the team. So you'll see in some teams, all the robots will compete at the same time on different surfaces. On some teams, because they are actually working in the same room, the robots will compete one after another on one surface. In either case, we have a scoring spreadsheet. I don't think that will be visible on YouTube, but we will announce the scores, and that's how teams will progress through the competition towards a final. We are running this a little bit like World Cup soccer. There's a group stage where teams will play 2 matches in each group. The winner of each of the 4 groups of 4 teams will advance to an elimination round. There are 8 teams in that round. So the 4 winners of the groups will make it to the elimination round, and then we will pick an additional 4 teams to progress based on performance in the group stages. Elimination round is then sudden death. And of course, yeah, we will have quarterfinals, semifinals, and then the third versus 4th place match, and then the final. The top 3 teams will benefit from the generosity of our sponsors. We have Newark Element 14 as a sponsor and Keysight as a sponsor. Thank you so much to them for continuing to sponsor the course in obviously difficult economic times. The winning team will win some rather expensive multimeters. If you're watching and you don't know what that is, this is an electronic measurement device. All the students have bought something along those lines, but more at the $20 level, whereas these are professional ones that are usually, you know, to $300. So nice prizes for the winning team. And second and third place teams also get prizes in the form of Raspberry Pis, which are really a microcomputer. Again, something that many of you watching might not appreciate, but of course anyone taking this course would want. So yeah, thank you so much for helping us provide prizes again to Newark, Element 14, and Keysight. I hope you're watching on YouTube or you later watch on YouTube. And thank you again for this unique offering of the course and your support of it. I will make some introductions to other instructors later, maybe towards the end of the competition. But at this point, what I would like to do is turn it over to Robin Coop, one of the originators of this course when he was my PhD student, now Head of Technology Development at the BC Cancer Agency and our MC for the day. Robin, it's all yours.
Thank you, Andre. Yes, this is kind of wild. 2001 was the first year we ran this, and here we are, and we're doing it all via Zoom. Why? Better processors and communications, which is, somebody said to me, even like 3 or 4 years ago, if we'd had this pandemic and all had to go home and work online, it would have just been an absolute nightmare. Anyway, we would have done all with pigeons. All right, so we are going to have a first group match then is Team 1 versus Team 7. So if you guys could all turn on your cameras, we can get this match on the road.
Fantastic. Okay.
So there are some combinations. This is going to be complicated to kind of understand what's going on here, but there's going to be some combination of Team 1, one team having potentially combined people or on one playing surface or not. So we'll have to establish who's going to do what. Here, actually, we have Team 7, B, and D are at the same time. So they're going to run sequentially, if I'm right. And then we're going to, so we'll have that. The other thing is, how do I tell if everyone is ready? Maybe, do I have...
They ask Team 1 and 7 to turn on your sound.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Hello. Ready.
Hello.
All right, welcome. Andrew, are you on?
Yep. Can you hear me? Which Andrew?
Oh, both Andrews. Excellent. Okay.
Is anyone not ready? Sorry, I'm also going to pull up my timer here. We're going to have 2 minutes.
1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute.
And as a test here, and folks, keep your mics unmuted. And I'm going to see what happens if the entire class unmutes. No one else turn on your video, but feel free to unmute your microphone. If you do that and sudden echoes, please turn it back off. And if it gets messy, we will mute. Happy to get everyone's cheering as we go into this.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. That's right, because as we always have said in this course, in the finals, this is a human-powered robot competition, and they're all powered by your energy. So we're going to have some great Zoom energy here, like we've never heard before. So I am going to start this match if everyone is ready. And no one is not ready. So here we go. I feel that people aren't quite ready yet. Because people are... All right, here we go. No? 3, 2, 1, go. All right. And they are off. So 7A is cruising around. Oh, it's moved a can out of the way. It's doing some nice tape following, though. I love the flappy thing. Oh, there's one. Come on, get it in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, disaster. Looks like 7B and D are, they're getting it. It's working. The flappiness is working.
What?
It goes pretty slowly.
What's going on 1A, C here? Oh, they've got, I love the asymmetrical triangular scoop. Reminds me of the 2002 ping pong bots. Excellent. The 2002 ping pong bots used the original handy board, which was about 16,000 times slower in processing than the current one. We're down to 19 seconds here.
Can do it. It's almost there. Woo!
Oh, come on. 1B here has almost got the last can. 12 seconds left. Oh, and they got them all. Now they've got to get back into 6 seconds. They're just going to stand pat with that. And we are down to 0. Done.
No.
Okay.
No.
It's over.
No.
the unlucky lineup.
All right.
All right, so those of you that competed, please enter your scores in the scoring sheet right now, so we know who's competed and we know what the scores have been.
Speakers hooked up that time?
No. Oh my God, this is so close.
Alright. You need help?
Nah, I'm good.
All right. So, do we need to do another for 7 because they're going to run D?
We do. There's some other robots that haven't run. So
Who else is not run
go
yet?
ahead and set up again. Give them a second to read.
Sure.
I mean, the motor doesn't even come across the Zoom. The mic. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, Team 7, you haven't entered any scores yet. Please do enter 0 if you've competed and but didn't score anything.
I'll score for you.
All right.
Oh, where's my
Okay, and while you're entering scores, are we going to run another? We need to run another match, right? There's at least another Team 1 robot. I don't see any video for.
7D, are you ready to run? Which was that the only robot that needed to run as an extra, or was there one from Team 1 as well?
I think there's one from Team 1.
Okay, Team 1, do you need to run another one?
Yes.
Okay, get your camera back on. There we go.
All right.
Oh, it looks beautiful. For the public that wasn't involved in this earlier, I was very excited to see the number of parents that have allowed their houses to be completely reorganized, or whoever is in charge of the house is completely reorganized for this competition. It's like the best. And I am also loving that the Team 7 D robot here is in fact made with a box with Honey Nut Cheerios, which really has a lot of sugar. Let me tell you. Okay. Are you ready? Team 1, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to start my timer here, and we are 3, 2, 1, go. All right, second part of first match. There goes the Honey Nut Cheerios on Team 7. Oh no, it does not to follow tape. See how the when you're only on the wooden surface, it's quite interesting. The contrast between the black. Oh no, following tape. How is Team 1 doing?
It was literally working 10 minutes ago.
Oh no, I hate that. Oh, come on, Team 1. Pick up that can. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Please pick it up. We need you.
It doesn't work anymore.
But you can see that having a white surface down, you got a lot more
It's a
contrast.
solar flare right now, man.
It took 5 minutes and now it doesn't work.
Well,
Oh,
Team
there
1
goes
got
the can.
1 can. That happens. Very tragic.
Oh, it's successfully
What-
pushing them out of the way.
One of my long-term involvements in this course was getting various more advanced mechanical fabrication construction methods going, particularly the water jet cutter. There, and we're done. 1 minute. All right. Looks like Team 1 picked up a couple of cans there. All right. So I will leave it up to the scorers to tell us the scores.
For different orientations.
So
Entertainment.
7, yeah, so Team 7 can do their entertainment now.
yes. And thank you, Team 1. So Team 1 clearly wins that match.
Okay.
Team, show us your entertainment. I'd love to see it.
No, we didn't. We got ice can.
Almost got this.
All right, 7, are you able to do your entertainment?
You see me?
Here we go. Robot Summer winners.
Okay. So on the main part of the screen, you can see the website I made. It has a reCAPTCHA.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to try to get the robot to trigger it.
I am not a robot.
Okay.
I am not a robot. That's awesome.
If I lift it. Oh, okay, I'll try again.
This is a kind of philosophical entertainment. What is a robot?
Okay, one more try.
Kevin, your video is fully frozen.
Oh, okay.
Try it.
It's actually still frozen, by the way.
Yeah.
Should we open this can?
There had to be a solar flare that hit right now. Everything was working so perfectly like 10 minutes ago.
If you guys want to like go and troubleshoot it, we can run it later. So why don't we go on to the next match?
No, we have a different one. We have 7D.
7D. Okay, so we can do 7D entertainment.
7D entertainment first, then.
All right, let's do that. Switch on and let's do 7D.
Yeah.
I can start with 7D actually.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. So while we're testing, came across some pretty interesting P and D values, and which caused some funky oscillations. And this was the process of debugging.
Is it supposed to be that?
It's working.
Why is it working so well?
It's working.
It's actually
I'm
It's
impressed.
working better than your robot normally.
It works well now. If people are wondering what this means, the PD values are the control parameters of how it looks at not only the error between where the tape is and where it wants to be, but the velocity, the amount the error is changing. And so this is a major subject you learn in mechanical and electrical engineering in undergrad, is sort of feedback control. And clearly, it sometimes works, and it sometimes doesn't work.
There's an issue.
Anyway, it looks fine. I was impressed with its working properly there.
It wasn't supposed to work. Okay.
All right, that's okay. I was entertained. Shall we go on? What should we do?
I think I'm ready.
You're ready? Okay.
go for it.
I'm gonna try.
Go first,
Here
Kevin.
goes.
Yes!
Yes! Not a robot. All right.
Wow, that is so impressive.
It's not a robot.
It's not a robot, or is it?
Clearly not a robot.
Fantastic.
Now, over on this side, as you can see, it's a cereal box. Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios. Would you like some Cheerios, James?
Yes, I would.
Would you like some Cheerios? Well, hopefully it'll follow tape this time. And it has decided to follow tape.
Ha! Ha! That could happen.
It's going the wrong way. It might, on a cereal box, it's like a shampoo bottle. You might have to flip it over and hit it a few times, Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Awesome.
Very good. I still say that Honey Nut Cheerios has way too much sugar in it, but maybe that's what was wrong with the robot. It just had too much sugar.
It was too sweet. It just it cracked under pressure,
Although, pro tip, I also discovered that multigrain Cheerios has as much sugar as Honey Nut Cheerios. So there. Excellent. All right, we are going to move on to group match number 2, which is Team 9 versus Team 12. So if Teams 9 and 12 can switch on your cameras at this point.
Can we get a quick round of applause for teams 1 and 7, particularly the entertainment section?
Round of applause.
Yeah. It's probably the greatest thing of all time.
Well done.
Woo! All right.
Who even knows what is a robot?
And Robin, we've had a request for a 5-second countdown.
Sure.
Instead of 3.
Instead of 3, sure. Let me start up my thing here. Echo time.
So if anyone's using 2 devices, make sure one of them's muted.
Yeah. All right. It looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and is anyone? Yes, 1 team's combined. So we have everyone.
We're still setting up. Can we give us 1 second?
Yeah. So as long as I keep.
Yeah, we'll give you a few seconds. On that note, by the way, teams 3 and 4, you're the next. Oh, sorry, team 4 and 10. you're the next heat. So think about setting up over the next few minutes because then we can start. We have the luxury here of having like 60 playing surfaces or something or whatever the number is. So we can set up in parallel a bit. Anyway, I was saying earlier, I was involved in getting things like the water jet cutter set up. And when I was a TA, we did a lot of pretty elaborate mechanical stuff in the machine shop to get these robots working. This year, we're talking glue guns and Coroplast, which is corrugated plastic. So I'm so impressed with what they've been able to do with what they have. It's wild. Is everyone ready?
Are you ready, Jeff?
Oh, we're good.
All right. No one not ready. I am about to give you the 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And they are off, and we'll just try and see anything and pick anything. I see the red robot 12A, Recursive Turtles, is definitely, oh, that's a good looking robot right there. They got a can. Oh, they got another can. They're really high up too.
Nice.
Look at that scoop. I am so impressed. Oh, I'd love to see this robot for real. Oh, look at that. 2 in the 8. That looks like an 8-inch box, too. All right, what else is going on? 9CE. He's going around without any tape. Well, they've got boundary of tape, which he's staying inside the boundary nicely. The Manhattan Project is moving very slowly, which is not what the Manhattan Project in real life actually did. Well, that is 9B.
Got 1 point.
Anyway, I see more cans in 12A. 12A is doing awesome.
Yeah, how much I got?
That's crazy.
All right, who's going? Who's still going? So there it looks like 12A is standing pat. Oh, and we're done.
Oh, no.
We are done. So I want to watch this 9B do its thing. Oh, look at that. Love it. Awesome. All right, round of applause for these guys. Because that was great. We need to. Do we need to run some more? We need to run 9C or 9 and 12 both need to run another robot on one of their play surfaces. So we'll swap over here.
Enter your scores, please. Someone on the team, so that we know who's running, what the scores have been.
Yeah, and then enter your scores.
So if I assisted it, is that 0?
No. Yeah. So what is this?
Okay, we've got 2 robots here, so we'll run a proper heat when everyone's ready.
Just write it down.
Maybe I'll just remember.
2 points plus 2, 4, 5.
Actually, I'll give you guys 20 seconds here.
Yeah.
All right. Everyone ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
I'll give you a 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This is 9E versus 12D or so. And here they go.
Oh my god.
So there's some drunken tape following. Pretty good. Come on, stay there. You can see there the control parameters might not be optimized, but they are in the bulb. Oh, no, you were doing so well.
Resetting. Okay.
Resetting.
You got 9CE there with a sonar, I think, trying to find cans.
Yeah. They're trying to find cans with sonar. Excellent. So they got the tape to find the boundary. And you can see there they put the white paper down to up the contrast just in that tape area. 12D, come on. This robot looks so impressive mechanically that it just, we have to get there. But it's just struggling to follow tape. There's all kinds of things can go on for people watching. There's battery power levels and all sorts of things involving how the sensors see the tape and getting that to be reliable. We got 3 seconds, 2, 1, and somebody gets a can on the 9C gets a can. All right. So again, please update your scores, and we will.
You want to hold up the camera with it?
So yeah, there's a couple of scores missing still from Team 12. Do any other robots need to run? I think we've got them all. Please enter a score. Enter 0 if you didn't score. Okay.
How do we enter? Where?
Or tell me and I'll enter. Like what was the score for 12B and D?
Oh.
After this, we'll have entertainment from Team 12.
Yeah. Team 12 should prepare for entertainment.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can't. Okay. Team 9D. What was your score?
Okay, it's time for Team 12 entertainment.
Get a sound check on that.
Yeah, we got you.
Works.
We can hear it.
All right. Good. I think Daniel's going first. Okay.
Okay. Ken, are you ready?
Just give me a sec. Maybe David and Nathan can go.
Okay.
Okay. 1 second. All right.
Oh, there's a chopstick on that robot. That is awesome.
All right. Can everyone see? That's maybe get that angle on there. There we go.
All right. Yeah, we can see all your robots, and we have music. I am ready to be entertained. Playing catch. Awesome. Very good.
Awesome.
All right.
That's it.
I like it.
That was good. You played catch.
Yep.
All right. Who else?
Is that a
We've got
chicken?
a stuffed animal here.
Oh, it's a stuffed animal. Okay.
This is kind of the.
Or they don't have everyone do entertainment. Just one group goes.
Ken, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for the countdown.
All right.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Awesome.
I love. That's fantastic. Big round of applause for Team 12, because what we're doing here is we're taking all young people now, basically express everything through memes, as we all know. And now what we do is we train them to these advanced technology levels where they can really do things like autonomous control and all sorts of decision making and machine learning and everything. And what do? They automate memes, and I love it. I love it so. All right. So the result of that was that it looks like Team 12 got the high
Team
score
12
there.
won that heat.
Well,
Yeah.
Team 12 won that heat. They had a high score of 5 and an average. Remember, the average is what matters. It's going for 1.75 versus 0.8 for Team 9. And by the way, the entertainment points are being scored by all of the class in a separate sheet, so we'll look at that later. But
Yeah, and don't forget to score, folks. Go to the entertainment section and put in your vote for your what you're seeing. Okay.
Yeah, best robot meme recreation. Maximum points for me. Thank you. All right, Team 4 versus Team 10. Match number 3. Here we go. Who do we have?
Your phone. Yeah.
I will get my timer going.
Hello.
Okay.
Can I
So
get
we
a
got
10-second countdown, please?
A 10-second countdown? Sure.
Yeah.
all right.
10D, we can't see you very well.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my the cover off my camera once I've gotten.
Oh, I see. You're like, this is like the America's Cup 1983. You guys weren't around for that, but there was like vast secrecy around some foils that the Australian boat had on it. It was a very famous sports story. Okay, everyone else ready? Anyone not ready? Holden Jones, you're upside down. But now you're kind of in whatever.
Now you're sideways.
Now you're sideways. You're in there. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Camera doesn't want to do the landscape thing properly. Okay, everybody looks like they're ready. I'm going to give a 10 count when I get my timer here. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And we are off. All right, what is going on? 10D has these enormous arms, which is interesting. They're going to try to That might be the old method of corral. So far, they're just avoiding all of the cans completely. What else is going on?
This is
Awesome flappiness on 4B. Actually, 4B and 4C, all flappy.
Oh, nice.
Meanwhile, 10A is wandering
He's
around.
got one can heading up for the bin.
And he got the bin. Oh, there you
all
go.
right.
Looks like they got a ramp. Looks like 10D has a ramp. And that's it.
Ramp.
Now she's hidden again. What's going on with 10C? Oh, it's gone off its tape. Come on, get back on the tape. Get back on the tape. I didn't see what 4B did, but the cans are either all pushed off to the wall, or actually it got all its cans into the bin. Likewise, it looks like all the cans are gone from 4C. Sorry, 4B and 4C both have got rid of all their cans. And we are done, people.
That is it.
That is it.
Congratulations.
Yeah, a round of applause for everybody. It looks like I can't actually see. I know that there was one of them got a bin on that ramp, the hidden robot. Do update your scores on your score sheet.
And in the meantime, we can, team 10, please set up for entertainment.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Andre, I sent you an email. We'd like to do our entertainment after we're eliminated, please.
Oh, okay. All right. In that case, we will reschedule you. Enter your scores, please. And I'm going to move that.
So this is the next match that should be getting ready. You don't have to turn on your cameras yet. Is Team 2 and Team 8.
Okay, but so we're skipping the entertainment section for this one. So, yeah, Team 2 and 8 can go ahead and turn on your cameras. Team 4, we can turn off yours because they've all run, right? Yeah. So, actually, let me see who's won this. Team 4, we're missing one score. Team 10, we're missing one score. And it's going to matter.
Yep.
Team 4D and Team 10A.
Okay.
Okay, looks like Team 4 wins that heat.
Yeah. Yeah, they did. Oh, wow. Team 4 got at least the first 3. They got 8, 9, and 8 points. And then member D, 4D, you still haven't reported yet. Oh, there you go. So they got 5. Okay, so 7.5 versus 0.25 from Team 10.
Probably the highest scoring team we've
seen. That is the highest scoring. Round of applause for both teams, though, please. I know we got to keep this energy going. Thank you. We are going now with Team 2 versus Team 8. What do we have here? I don't know, more lovely hardwood floors, or engineered floors, actually, which we can talk about wooden engineering products, because last year we'd switched, or last couple of years, the course has switched largely from metal, water jet metal, to laser cut wood, or wood products of various sorts. That's why I was glad to see the bamboo chopstick on that one robot, because, you know, wood is a great engineer who's a contemporary of Andre's, named Peter Firmage, once told me when I was quite young, don't knock wood. This is after he built an entire recumbent bicycle out of wood as a prototype. And it's a great material, you know, and it's complicated, and it's anisotropic, and it's cool. So engineered wood floors, very good for walking on. Contrast with your tape, maybe not as good as white surfaces, but people are getting it done, so that's cool. Let's fire up this timer. I will give you guys a 5 count again. Everyone looks ready. No one looks not ready. Here we go, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Good low angle here on Team 8A. Oh, I see one can get scooped by Team 8A. What else is going on? Team 2C is going rather sluggishly. Team 8D is picking up robots, or at least flinging the cans around quite well. Did it just get? Oh, it didn't get that one, but it's come back.
What a flapper.
Did see the tape and turn around. 2D, full on towing its large bin and flapping like crazy. I love it. I want to see it pick up a can again. Come on. It's just following the tape in a spiral, but it is following. So we're going to watch it here. Go round. This is 2D. Oh, no, it missed the tape. They're going to have to reset. Okay, what else is going on? People are resetting in a few spots here. Lapping and tape following here. Oh, they missed the can on. That was 2AB. They missed the can, unfortunately. They're turning inside and then just missing. And that is it, folks. There's your 1 minute.
That is it.
So we're going to have to run another heat here. Team 2B is going to run. So we'll do that. You'll get your own exclusive video. There was one can there from 2A, I think. That's good. Here's 2B.
Milo, don't mess with him.
Where did that go? There it is. Okay, so 2B, are you ready to go? Okay, I'm gonna give you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so let's all watch 2B.
Oh, picks up the.
Oh no!
It's lost its.
He needs to pick up his the bin. It looks like the bin's hooked on. Oh, now that can was. Oh no! This is devastating. You should have used an electromagnet, a power-sucking electromagnet. Actually, Andre was telling me, amongst the many challenges of this COVID course, that they're not able to use, normally the course recent years has used lithium polymer batteries, which are very energy dense, so they're compact and light and have good power, but they're a bit sketchy, at least the ones that we get that aren't vastly expensive. And so keeping them in the lab is okay, but there was a desire not to send them to everyone's houses and then potentially have them starting random fires. So they've been using sort of standard home batteries, which is like your alkaline batteries, 9 volts and various, C cells and whatnot. And that is time.
That is it. All right.
So please update your scores. A round of applause for both teams, please.
And folks, and the rest of the class, feel free to unmute to applause, honestly.
Do that.
Congratulations.
Anyway, so one of the many struggles of this version of the course, in addition to the lack of materials, is the fact that they're dealing with batteries that are super shady. All right, do you guys want to do entertainment? This is going to be team 8, I guess, doing entertainment. Do you guys have some entertainment for us? Yes, we have entertainment from team 8A here. Dora.
Okay, I'll be doing a duet.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Excellent.
I want everybody to unmute their mic and clap along. This is like the best thing ever. See?
Amazing.
Awesome. Fantastic. Loving it. Oh, the robot is so good. Never did you think that not following tape. Beautiful.
Oh, awesome.
See what happens when you don't have to follow tape? That was awesome. Thanks, Dora.
Thank you.
Love it. Oh, that's great. All right. So.
Oh my God!
Are we doing another one from team 2, or sorry, team 8, or what are we doing? Otherwise, somebody shared their screen here, but otherwise, I would say.
So for my entertainment, I'm going to be doing a magic trick.
Okay.
Using this pack of cards as well as my robot back there. Hi everyone. For my entertainment, doing a magic trick. Using this pack of cards as well as my robot back there. What I'll have you do is, as I go through the cards like this, just please say stop at any point you like. Okay.
Stop.
Right there. Okay. Take a look. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And you can see that it's really inside there somewhere. Mm-hmm. And I'll place that in front of my robot and have it find your card. Okay, so looks like it picked a bunch up. But is that one your card?
Yo,
yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Hi everyone.
That was fantastic. Oh my goodness.
All right, thank you.
Team 8 dominating. Is that all we have for entertainment for Team 8, or does the last group, the last member, anything? If not, that was seriously so far, I think by far the most entertainment we've had. Very well done.
Team 2 wins that heat by the looks of it.
Yep.
Yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations. All right. We are going to get, is Team 6 and Team 16. They are the ones we need to get ready, so switch on your cameras. Team 6, I will give you guys a 5 count in a second here. Everyone is ready. No one is not ready. Oh, wow. That is a dark floor for putting black tape and doing tape following on.
Yeah,
wow.
No, we got it 6. Okay, 6A. We're missing 6B.
6B? Where are you, 6B?
Wow, Ben's camera placement is awesome.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Yeah. Somebody actually thought about this in advance. All right, 6B.
There's 6B. Okay.
We got it? Okay. It's very hard to follow all this. Okay, very good. I will start the timer here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go. Following along. Okay, 6C. Oh, it got a can. 2 cans over at 16. 16C, which is
6A's got 2.
Yeah. Oh wow. 6C's got tons. In fact, there's the cans everywhere here, except for 6B. They froze the video, but they're actually moving. That's good. What's going on with 6D? 6D is getting another can. Oh, there it goes. Watch that. Scoop up. Nicely done. Another can. Nicely done. This is going to be a high-scoring round, no question. Look at those cans on 6A. Biometry with Ben Brown. Got 4 cans in there. As Andre was saying at the beginning, you've got slightly more points. 1 more point for.
Can I click start again?
On your, you mean reset?
Well, it's just another loop. I only have it set for 2.
Wait, what? You can restart if you want.
Okay, we're done.
I don't want to lose my hand. Okay, no, it's fine. I'm good.
Okay.
We take 2.
So that was a high-scoring round. Now that round looks like everybody has a different setup. So we all ran in parallel there, or do we need to run any other heats?
No, that was it, I think.
That was it. Okay, so can you guys update your scores as quick as you can? That was awesome. That was a high-scoring round. This is Team 6 versus Team 16. We're seeing the scores being updated now. 4 points for 16A.
Guys, you're putting it in max.
Wrong column.
Yeah.
Wrong row. Wrong row.
This is going to be close. Let's get your scores in.
Yeah, everybody get their scores in. Yeah, 6A, you're in the wrong row, so that's got to be moved.
I'll do it for you.
Yeah, Andre will override. Delete that one. There you go. Okay, so 5.25 for Team 6. And Team 16's only got 1 score in yet. Where's those scores?
Not just yet, but very soon.
They're still working on it. Looks like we have
4-0-0. We got this right?
Team 16 so far on 2.
We're in huge suspense. Okay.
I just sent him out there. Leave him out.
It goes to Team 6.
It goes to Team
everybody heard that.
6. Yeah. All right. 5.25 average versus 3. Anyway, great heat, guys.
That was really close.
Who's doing entertainment here? That answer is Team 16. You want to give us some entertainment, or are we doing it later? Team 16?
Hi. I have a video to play, and Leo's going to give us some music.
All right.
That's okay with you guys.
Yeah.
All right, I'll wait for Leo because we need a soundtrack.
Don't forget everyone to unmute and applaud for the entertainment, which is fabulous. do we got going on? Ready to start? Oh.
All right, Leo, tell me when.
Hello?
Yo, Leo.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Nice. Oh, there you go.
Awesome.
Nicely done. Oh. Oh, looks like it froze. Oh, there it is. Okay. So you're delivering the cat food. Oh, kitty. There you have it. Autonomous cat. I should build one of these for our cat. Well done.
Awesome.
Well done, guys. That's cool. Do we have more?
Excuse me.
Were you guys able to hear Leo?
We heard a little bit of music, but it's very
a little
quiet.
bit. Yeah.
He had a speaker hooked up, but I think there were some audio issues.
Right.
I could hear a little bit.
Maybe we can try that again later.
Sure. Ben, are you going to do something?
Team
No,
6
he's
is not
Okay.
doing anything.
No,
now,
that's right.
so any other entertainment for Team 16?
No.
I think we're good.
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Good job.
Then we will. Well done. We are going to move on to the next match, which is Team 3 versus Team 11. And Team 3 and Team 11 should be. Oh, they're all there. Excellent. So do we have? We have 3 is all independent, and 11 has a couple, A and B. So we'll run those as a pair of heats. All right. You'll see, by the way, 3B has got a ramp to their container for recycling. It turns out that's actually allowed.
All Team 3 does.
All Team 3 does. Sorry. It turns out that's allowed because you're allowed to modify the course somewhat. This was in the rules, so some people have done this, some people haven't. Okay, everyone is ready. No one is not ready. I am going to give a 5 count. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 59 seconds. Here we go. So,
I have to reset.
3D. Yeah, you can unmute and cheer along, everyone, if you want. I'm watching 3D here, which is picking up cans really nicely. That's can number 3 with their great big. Oh, they're about to lose one. Oh, they almost lost 2. Oh, they did lose 2, but they got 4.
Holy cow! Look at 3D.
They got 3. Maybe they got 3 actually. I didn't see what.
Not running anymore.
I didn't see what 3B did, but they've. I think they got a bunch, and here comes 3D going up the ramp with 3 cans. There you go.
Wow.
All right, what's going on with 11? Let's see with 11. They're running in this kind of space with a boundary around the outside. So you can see here they're fighting the boundary and then turning around. 3C is coming up. They don't have any. Oh, and we are done. We're out of time.
Oh my God. Okay, so we need to run another Team 11.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Team 3, please enter all your scores. From 11, enter your scores.
She's not.
Okay, and
Team 11B is going to run.
Yep.
All right, Team 11B, here we go. Oh, I'll give you a time. Sorry. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1 minute for Team 11B.
Oh,
got a narrow scoop. Oh no! Oh no! So sad. Reset. All right, put the cans back up. 45 seconds. Here we go again. Oh no! Too bad. He's trying to, I think, follow the edge of the paper.
Wants to go the wrong way.
Wants to go the wrong way. Yeah, not getting there.
Probably.
Unfortunate.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's quite a narrow scoop there as well. But it's cool if you can do it, with more precision. It's kind of cool to actually see the can and pick it up as opposed to sort of blindly running around with a big sort of rake.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's censored.
Oh.
All right, that is time. So anyway, we'll you can go ahead and score that, or somebody can score that.
Yeah, Team 11, we need a couple of scores in still.
Yeah.
We've got a pretty impressive score from Team 3.
Yeah. Team 3 has a score of 5.25 average. So to update you, we've got a tie from Team 3 and Team 6 so far, about an average of 5.25, and then Team 4 got an average of 7.75, and Team 1 got an average of 5.5. So they're doing pretty well.
Yeah. And we've got oh, that's awesome. All right, so Team 3 wins that heat. Congratulations, Team 3.
And the entertainment is being provided by Team 11, who have already entertained us by showing their scoop, but maybe Team 11 has some more entertainment for us.
Get more forward.
Okay, so we're gonna try to synchronize dancing, but we don't know how it's gonna work on Zoom.
So you should have been like Dora and synchronized yourself with the robot, because then it's
maybe.
Then you have more flexibility being effectively an AI or natural intelligence, because everybody in engineering physics is naturally intelligent, not just artificially intelligent.
Do you mind?
No, don't move it back.
All right, I'm excited about this synchronized. I love the yellow robots. It's very Bob the Builder.
Ready? I'll count us down. Okay. Wait. Huh? Yeah, I'm playing the music.
Okay.
Oh, we're doing all 4 synchronized. This is awesome. I want everybody to be unmuting and applauding here, people. This is going to be great.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Off they go. Oh, come on.
Supposed to run around.
It's the multiple robot autonomous dance.
Is there music playing?
They're very recalcitrant.
We're having mic issues. Oh, sorry, we have mic issues.
Well, it's okay. You can reset if you want.
Oh, okay.
Sure. Why not reset if you?
I want to hear this with music.
Yeah, it's got to go with music.
Okay.
Just crank up the volume and
wait.
put
Sylvia, can you play then? Or do you
Sure. Wait, I'll give when I say 3. Put your hand in front of the sonar.
Okay.
Wait, I'm on button. I'm on the right button.
Okay. Let me just pull it up.
My robot's gonna do it later.
A webcam kind of thing. All right.
Okay. So 1. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Emily, me. Yeah. And then we'll have to get you set up again.
Let you down.
They might have some
around.
Yeah.
Desert you.
Right, yeah, but I'm going to hear music over this stuff if I can't even hear them.
Did it not hear? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not wanting to play the music for some reason. It played briefly and then stopped. Anyway, you tried, but you did it.
Yeah,
it's okay. That's okay. A round of applause for the prototypical dance of Team 11, and we will go to the next match.
Good job, you guys. All right.
Good job. All right, this is Team 14 and Team 15. So we're down to our penultimate match of the first set.
Audio on? Yeah.
All right. Team 15 is AD and B and C.
Okay. You know, actually, can I make an edit here? Guys, since Team 14 is going to run 4 robots one after the other, can Team 15 just do the same? Go 15A, 15. That will because we're running 4 times anyways, no matter what.
All right.
All right. So 14A versus
14A versus 15A. All right. That's what we got here. 14A versus 15A. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. There is 15A picked up 1. I love it. I love the robot. Mechanically, fantastic core plast extravaganza. Looks like a success there from Team 14A as well. In their giant living room of science. Oh, I love that you're doing the finals in your pajamas. That's very Zoom. All right, so what happened there? 15A picked up 1, and now it's sort of farting around and not actually. Is it stuck? All right. And we're actually going to be out of time there. Oh, no, we're not. We're down to 11 seconds. Whoever's holding the camera on 15, like, let's see the robot. Or what, is it doing anything, or is it just kind of blah?
We will fix the camera.
All right, that's time.
That is time. How many? Okay, guys, go score 14A and 15A. Go put in your scores.
Yeah, put your scores in. So we're going to run 14B versus 15B. 14B versus 15B. Hello, Emily at 15B. That is a challenging floor for tape following. It's got 2 layers of lines on it. Holy smokes. All right. Are you ready? 15 or 14, are you ready? For 14B? Okay. Set up your cans.
And while you're doing that 14A, 15A, enter your scores, please.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully
14A, yeah, come on. 14 and 15A, enter your scores. Let me know when you guys are ready. Yeah, I see. 15 is ready. 14?
Yeah, we're ready.
You're ready too? All right, here we go. Sorry, let me get my timer going here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So it turned around. Now, what does 15 do? Okay, 15's. Oh, look at this 3. Come on. Come on, yes! Got all 3 of them. Oh, what a beautiful reverse turn here. Come on, go forward.
Wait, what's it doing?
Picked up 3 cans. 15B.
But they're not.
But it's stuck.
They're in the robot. They're not in the bin.
No, they're in the robot. You gonna reset? Oh, I see. It just couldn't flip its bin.
Dump them in?
Yeah, it just didn't look like it flipped its bin.
I think it did. I think it put them in the bin.
Okay. Meanwhile, if 14 has got
It's like a square.
its portable bin, a couple cans or 3 cans.
It's like a small stick kind of actually.
3 seconds left, so we're pretty much there. Very nice job. Picking up cans at least from Team 15. All right, that's it.
It's still up.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, enter your scores. Team 14 looks to be ahead right now.
Yeah.
Team 15A, we still don't have a score from you. 15B score.
Oh, we need.
Okay, I put my score in. Oh, I put in 14. Oh shit.
Yeah, put your score in the right place, please. All right, so we're going to set up as well for 15C and 14C.
It's definitely unassisted.
So 14A, we need.
I should go on my phone and show you.
Yeah.
That thing means we're definitely going to want to mute this.
Does everyone like my new phone? I got a new phone yesterday. It's only the third smartphone I've ever owned since 2012.
It's a good
Very
phone.
nice, but of course, you all have nicer phones than this anyway, so I'm just whatever. Are we almost ready? How are we doing scores? Okay, we have scores in.
We need Team 14 scores.
Yeah, Team 14, you have no scores
no
in
idea
yet.
what's going on.
Yeah. All right, Seth is representing Team 15 in this round. Is everyone ready? I'm going to give a 5 count for this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And here we go. 1. Oh, come on, get that can, Team 15.
Oh, so close.
Oh, it's just flinging cans everywhere. It's terrible. There's one. That looks like a legit. No, it's kind of hung up. Oh, no, it jammed actually. Oh.
No. Oh, nice. Okay, nice happy face though.
Yeah, love the smiley face.
Thank you.
Yeah, looks like you got a can hooked up there. 26 seconds to go.
Wow.
What's going on with? I see more cans being picked up here. Oh, look at that. They got some cans there. Team 14. They've got some clever tape setups there on Team 14. They've got extra little pieces of tape where their corners are. All right, that is time, folks. Please put your score in. Team 14C and Team 15C. Team 15C's actually got it. Okay, D. So we're doing D now.
Wait, can I see you?
All right.
Yeah, someone very close. 4 times to say 8 or 7.
Setting up for match D here.
What's at the game? We're ready.
All right, everyone ready? Everyone ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And I love how Team 14 reverses, their robots reverse before they go forward. Now, it didn't get that can. What's going on with Team 15? They got 1 can. Leslie got 1 can here. Spread the other cans kind of around. That's definitely one challenge of this this particular problem. In previous years in 253, there's been quite a lot of them that use Beanie Babies. And Beanie Babies don't slide around and bounce or anything else, so they're actually in a way easy to pick up. These cans just get flung around everywhere. It makes it hard. But Team 14 is definitely picking up some stuff. All right. We didn't see what happened with Team 15 there. Did they get that? They got 1 can. Okay, they got a can in there for sure. This is a reset. 5 seconds to go. I want to see. It's going to reverse in, and that's time. No, I didn't quite get there. All right. Thanks, guys. Round of applause for Team 14 and Team 15.
Okay, folks, can I make an administrative comment here? In case people are scoring incorrectly, if you have an 8-inch wall, that counts for 1 point for the entire match, not 1 point per can. Okay, so I'm not sure who's been scoring that incorrectly, if anyone, but it's 1 point per match, not 1 point per can, if for the 8-inch wall bonus point, okay? So adjust your scores if you put them in incorrectly up to this point. But there's no question Team 14 wins that match. Congratulations.
The entertainment here is Team 15. Team 15, do you have anything for us?
Yes. I have discovered a new vocal talent.
Awesome.
Wow, that's awesome. Did you program that, or is that as a result of AI?
I wrote a interpreter for MIDI files and then just downloaded one.
Holy smokes! Congratulations. Do you hear that, folks? She wrote an interpreter for MIDI files, which are like music files, and then just made it play. So that is my kind of ENPH project. Right on, right on. Round of applause for that.
Emily.
Always automate your entertainment. Okay.
Do we have one more?
We have one more? Oh, we do? No, you don't have audio, Seth. You're muted.
Oh,
there
we got one more on a very, very similar note, but hope you enjoy anyway. Oh. It's doing the robot course. That's not what you're supposed to do. Hold on a second. I pressed the wrong button, I think. Or not. All right, we're gonna take a hit on that because it was working 5 minutes ago and it's not anymore. It's a shame. It's play the song and then this comes up and says hi.
Well, you tried. Thank you. That's
my best.
All right. We are going to go on to Team 5 versus Team 13. This is the last of our first set, and then we're going to have a little round robin. We'll have another round of head-to-heads, and that'll be that. So, what do we got? Team 5, A and D, Team 5C, Team 5B, Team 13.
Are they not doing the thing where they do one by one?
Yeah, so 13, are you guys all in the same place?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that same thing. So we'll go A versus A and so forth. So Team 13A, would you like to run against Team 5A, run against Team 13A, is what I'm trying to say. Let me pull up my timer here. I, of course, put the YouTube link on my social media feeds so that various people are looking at it from there. Hello, people who came there. Becky, if you're in Boston still watching this, that's awesome. I hope you guys are well.
Hi, Becky.
Becky's rad. She does RNA bioinformatics and stuff. Anyway, are we ready? I'm going to give you guys a 5 count here. This is 5A versus 13A. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Come on, 13. No, don't go flying across the room. That's so sad.
Wait, what's 5A doing? 5A is holding a can. It let go of the can.
My wife is watching as well. Hi, wife. That was Stacy. Hi, Stacy. Okay, 5A has picked up a can. It looks like it's picked up a can, but now it's going around in circles off the... That is like the most epic playing surface. It's like a gray concrete floor. Now it dumped a can. I like it. It wasn't what it's supposed to do, but it was cool. It's a gray concrete floor with newspaper and then tape, which it seems like a challenging surface to work on. Anyway, it's going to pick up another can. Okay, can. There you go. Now it's got to go back to the... Come on, go back to the thing. Is it doing sonar? It must be doing sonar or some kind of beacon. The beacon's broken?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's not going to work. All right, that's time, folks. What do you mean your beacon's broken?
It died earlier.
That's very sad. All right, so we're going to go to 13B versus 5B.
I think you can see most of
it. 13B. 5B is you're in landscape mode, or you're in like sideways mode. So make to just flip it to let us see as best we can.
like this.
Sure. Yeah, that'll do.
Because okay. Just a
it's
second.
not a very wide field of view, but that's fine. We'll just leave. All right, 13 is ready. 5 will just give you a second here. Okay. All right. I'm going to give you guys a 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. No, 13. You are not. Come on, 13.
Let's try that again.
Nicely put together robot. I love the red chloroplast. Come on, 5B.
You want to try that again?
Reset.
What's she doing?
Okay.
20 seconds. Sorry, 15 seconds to go here.
Oh, 5B.
No, these two robots are not quite happy.
No.
They have all the elements, but not quite all of the sensor. Unhappy sensors are being unhappy.
Look at that. Yay, 5B. All right.
5B got a can.
Yeah, I got a
Awesome. All right, we have time.
A bit of an assist, but that was awesome.
All right. Round of applause for those two guys. That was a struggle. Clearly, there's some sensor challenges there. We're going to go to the next one, which is C versus C. 5C versus 13C. So reset. All right. It looks like everyone's ready. I'm going to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
I'll have to do a reset on 13. 5, however, is lining up with an excellently shaped pincers.
Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, look at that. That was very awesome. Now, come on. Get to the beacon. Get to the beacon.
Oh, no.
Don't just go in circles. No, we must see you. Get to the beacon, please. All the students are willing it to go to the beacon. It seems to be not. It's classically what it's doing here is not seeing where it's wanting to drive to. That's why it's having a seizure. They're going to stop. Start over. Another one. Okay, let's try again. Meanwhile, 13C is touring around, but not anywhere near any cans. And another robot. Come on. See this? Oh, so painful. 5C is like
the sonar is working so well.
The sonar's working, and then there's a beacon, and we're not seeing the beacon or something.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
All right, that's time, folks.
Nice try though. That was awesome.
All right. Yes, that's too bad. I guess the problem, Andre, were the beacons supplied, or were they made, or you had to?
They had to make their own. So
they had to make their own. Yeah.
Steady infrared, which of course can be contaminated with sunlight and things like that, or doing it.
Right.
It got too bright out. If we did it
at
night, I'd be fine.
Yeah,
right.
That was my suspicion. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a tough one. Yeah, this blacking out all your windows or something would be a thing. Okay, we are going to go D. 5D versus 13D. We'll give you guys a 5 count again. Everyone's ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so
and while these robots are running, enter your scores, please. The rest of the team.
Yeah, please enter your scores. And once again, looks like actually I'd be curious at Team 13 if you guys are struggling with the light, because you clearly got a big window there and you've got a big light gradient across your playing surface. And is that causing all kinds of problems as Team 5D rolls out of the playing surface?
But I think 13 is the one with a broken beacon, right?
Yeah. So our beacon, we can't just emit like constant IR. It has to actually be oscillating at a frequency for the robot to pick it up.
Right. It's actually broken.
And the oscillation part broke.
Right.
You can emit constant IR, but the robots don't see it.
Right.
That's no good. I'm trying to turn it on.
Dear. Okay.
No, you can find it. It'll do it.
Oh, because it's picking up at the ball now. Wallace gave up.
All right, looks like these guys are standing pat, we are out of time. So a round of applause for a lot of effort and struggles on these teams.
Hey guys, so we need to know, we need your scores, but we also need to know, I feel like that was a 0-0 tie, but I would like to know if anyone scored any assisted points or if there was any cans. I saw some cans get picked up on one team. Can you guys let us know what happened there?
Yeah, I think almost everyone on Team 5 picked up a can. We just had problems finding our beacon once we had the cannon.
Okay. And can you please enter your scores? I don't know why Oh, Team 13, you're putting the wrong place. Okay, I will do it for you.
All right. We are going to ask Team 13 if they have any entertainment for us.
Team 13, I think, is doing it
afterwards.
Am I wrong? No, never mind. Go ahead, yeah.
Sorry?
We were asking if we could do it later.
Yeah, you can do it later.
Okay.
We'll put you down for later. Okay. So we will move along then to the Team 1 versus Team 12. Team 1 versus Team 12.
All right.
Everyone ready? What are we doing here? So we've got everybody except Team 1. Okay, so 12 has a pair and 1 has a pair. Is that right?
Is our video visible?
Yep. Yeah, 12. You guys are 12D. And I think what I'd like to do here is, so we'll obviously run 2 heats. So we'll run 6 of the robots, and then we'll run the other 2 robots.
I'm going to go as a pair. I'm going to go in the second round.
Okay, sure. So if everybody in the first round then is ready, I'm going to give you guys a count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And we are off. So 12A, which did well, or I remember it was picking stuff up before. Team 1 had a decently high average score of 5.5 last time. So we'll see how they're doing. There's Team 1, I guess Team 1A with its asymmetrical scoop going around, picking up. They've got 2. That's exciting. Team 1B is also, I think, picked up. They're certainly cleared all the cans off. See Team 1B right at the top of the screen there. Oh, they got one. Nice. And Team 1D, these are all the same robot. I mean, the design is the same as you'd expect, and they're all doing what they're supposed to do. Or to use the English engineering expression, the robot does what it says on the tin. I kind of like that. And in fact, as we are getting down to, why is my timer not always showing up? To the last 2 seconds, and that's time. There it is. So various robots picked up various cans. Nope, you don't count that one. All right, very good, guys. Congratulations. Round of applause for anybody who's got their mic unmuted for these 2 teams so far. We're going to do another heat now. So second robots, please get ready to stage. So this is going to be 1C and 12D, and then also 12C, I think, is all going to run at that time. Okay. So actually 12A, you can shut off when you want to.
I mean, that position
And Team 1, by the way, is doing the entertainment here after this. Okay, I will give you guys, everyone ready? I'll give you guys a 5 count.
not ready.
Hang on, somebody's video is off here that needs to be on. Is that one? There you go. Okay.
We're sharing the field. We're just setting up the hands.
Yeah, very good. Okay, everyone ready? I'm going to give you 5. No?
No.
Okay.
Something? I'm just showing the video later, I guess.
There is their, oh, I see. They have to actually put the robot on the playing surface. That is very important in this competition.
Okay, we're ready.
All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. We get a nice view here of 12D. Oh, they picked up a scoop by sheer wacky, barely tape following. By contrast, 1, oh, looks like 12C got one, though, very nicely. It's following tape nicely. 1A, or 1C rather, looks to be picking up. We got another can. There it goes. Scoop, turn, scoop, turn. I love it. It's working well, working well. Reset there on 12D. 12C is running around. They got a can in up. They got to get it into the actual bin. And again, 1C doing really nicely. Now they got to follow a bunch of tape to get around. Oh, come on, 12D. Let's get that can. Oh, it had cans and then it just didn't hold it together. And another can and a final can. What time do we do?
Impressive. Look at that. All right.
And we're done.
Oh, that was close.
All right.
Wow, good job, you guys.
Well done. All right, that was very impressive from
okay.
Team 1 there. Okay, so please put your scores in.
Yeah, this one's going to be close again, I think.
All the same.
And put your scores in, and we will also, there's some entertainment from Team 1, I believe. Or that's the goal, unless Team 1 wanted to do it after. No?
No, I think they're doing it.
You're going to go? Okay.
Enter your scores while you're setting up for entertainment, please. All right. One more score from Team 1, and then we can decide the heat. Okay. Looks like Team 1 takes that one. Congratulations.
Yeah, nice job.
Should we start with entertainment?
Yes, please. Go for it.
Okay. So for our team, we dedicated each of our robots to a different instructor, and then it also has a musical theme. So mine is Acapella Andre. And that's Andre with a W in parentheses, because with that W, you get my name. So we have a little celebration dance here. Running around waving his arms, celebrating.
Where's the music?
Oh, right. Yes. Hopefully you can hear this. Yeah. Oh, that's an ad. Okay. I guess that's what I get for not buying YouTube Premiums. Yeah, that's it.
Awesome.
Nice work, guys. Awesome.
And then we've got Josh's is Bernhard Blues, but because it's blue and his musical theme is the blues. And then I think Alice and Jaden, you want to explain yours?
I'll go after. Sorry, am I going right now? Okay.
Yeah, you go for it.
Okay, so our robots are named after the 4 instructors, and there's only one left. So there's like a little review.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Oh, meaty. This one has to be the most AI of all of them.
Was that a picture of
meaty
me?
is the most AI. Machine learning will eat the world. Look at that. Round of applause here for the meaty bot. It's like a meaty fan robot. Awesome. Nice job. Love it. Oh my goodness. Thanks, guys. Round of applause for those guys.
Yay.
We will look at the next match here, and that's going to be Team 9 versus Team 7. Team 9 versus Team 7.
All right. Team 9 scored, most of the team scored points, average of 1.2. Team 7, no score yet. So let's see what they can do.
All right. Are we running all? We've got one. Team 7's got one shared surface, so we're gonna run, I guess, 2 heats. If everyone else is
both teams have a shared surface.
Sorry.
Both teams have a shared surface.
Okay, so we're gonna run. Oh, good. So we're gonna run 2 heats. We're gonna run three against 3, and then 1 against 1, I guess. So here we will go. I give you guys a 5 count. If everyone's gonna run right now is ready.
Count.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wait,
All right.
We're not ready.
Oh. Do I just go in the next round?
What?
No.
What? Why is it going over?
All right. So what is all going on here?
Just reset it. Just assist it.
Oh shit! I got one.
7A is picked up. 7C, I can't tell because I've got a cover. 7D is picked up.
It works, but like,
can't tell with 9. What's going on with 9? I like this 9 one right in front of us here. This green can.
Wow.
Oh no, had to assist there.
Oh, look at that. Look at that video angle. It's beautiful.
Yes, that's a good angle though. All right, 10 seconds remaining. And have we got anybody actually deposited in their bin? We're timed, guys. That's it. That's it for the first heat. Well done.
So those of you that ran, enter your scores right away, please, so we know what's happening. We'll run
The
another
score
game.
assisted. So 6 here. Okay.
Okay, so if it's assisted, just enter 0, of course, and then if it comes down to that, figure it out. 9. Oh, so someone video.
Uh-oh. Okay, so we're gonna have 7D versus 9 C or 9E or whatever. That's right, because Team 9 has 5 members. That's why. I understand. All right. So we're gonna 9B. Are you running or you've run now?
9B is gone.
9B. Simon, are you you're muted, but are you running this one, or are you? Otherwise, you can turn off your monitor. All right. So we're gonna have 7D versus 9E. This is the return of the Honey Nut bot. Love it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Awesome. I will give you a 5 count in a couple seconds here. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. So in the darkened room of 9C, so there you see they've got some.
It's following tape.
Better lighting. It is following tape. There's much rejoicing. Needs to pick up a can. Oh, come on, get that. No, it's just pushes the cans out of the way slightly. 9E is struggling to move for some reason. Come on, let's get this can. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's better. Look at that. Into the Cheerios box. No, come on. Get another one.
Off angle.
But honestly, it got 1. Oh, and now the flapper is completely gone haywire. It's destroying itself. It's awesome. Sacrifice all for victory.
Get the 1 can.
So it's got to back up here and drop off its bin. There we go. Oh, yes!
Oh, look at that.
That's to go. That's awesome. That is an epically battled single can.
No.
Congratulations, 7D, for causing your robot mayhem.
1 can.
1 can. And that, folks, is time.
Okay, put in your scores so we can call that heat.
Yeah, put in your scores. That was very good.
9 versus 7. Who wins that one?
Well,
Yes.
we're not.
9 had a couple scores of 3.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Well, let's see the other 3 scores, right? Because it's an average. If those are 0, this could be a problem.
Yeah, it's true. 7 has an actual total average of 0.25, though. So.
No, we're not done.
Oh, you're not done?
You're not
you got
done.
another one?
Okay, well, let's
All
go.
right, sorry,
for
I'll give you 5
the other
count. 5, 4, 3. Oh, no. Sorry, I'll do it again.
Yeah, we're good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Must go forwards. Now we can all watch this robot together. So, yes, wanting to go backwards. It wants to go backwards again.
And the rest of Team 9, in the meantime, please do enter your scores.
Yeah, you got 3 of them need to enter their scores. Come on, 9E. Come on. You can go forward. I know you can. There we go. Now it's forward.
It's going. Oh my
And
God.
they crash into the wall. It's chaos. Try one more time. We've got a little bit of time left. Let's see. 11 seconds. Anyway, that is 2 seconds, 1 second, and that is time. So,
all right,
enter your scores.
Enter your scores.
Round of applause for all these for these two teams. Again, Team 7 on a 0.25. Team 9.
And Team 9, get ready for your entertainment, please.
Yeah.
Okay, am I guessing the last one was a 0 for Team 9? 9E?
Yeah, is that a 0 for 9E?
Yeah, 0 for 9E.
Okay, I will put it in for you. Team 9 still wins.
Yeah, they got 1.4 average versus 0.25. All right, so they're going to do 9 entertainment here. Everyone together?
Yeah, give us 30 seconds.
Okay.
You gotta fund the thing.
Okay, they're just setting up here. I love this concrete, or it looks like concrete floor on the 9C and E team.
Yeah, more or less.
Okay. I'm anticipating coordinated dance moves here. It's very exciting. Oh, and blue LEDs. There we go. Awesome. Come on, everyone. Put your hands together for Team 9 doing the awesome dance with multi-different colors of LEDs. That's the best kind of dance. Beautiful.
Oh, look at those colors. That's awesome.
This is awesome. Absolutely. Oh, wow. Yeah, you see?
Yeah, Ben's is changing color.
You know, Physics 253, if there's ever a time in your careers, my young proteges, to use multicolored LEDs, it's during Physics 253. Because later in your career, multicolored LEDs are just like, what are you doing? So, you know, really, this is the moment to just absolutely go hog wild and have all your LEDs. So, very good.
We danced. Ben, do you want to play music still?
Round of applause for these guys for their awesome dance and their LEDs. That was very good. Thank you.
Oh, Mom, my robot just stopped.
Okay. Team 4 is back up, one of our dominant teams so far.
Team 4 versus Team 8 is our next round. And Team 4 with the high score, 7.75 on the previous round.
All right.
So here we go.
Team 8, though, looking in the lead for entertainment points.
Good and well deserved.
Yeah.
You see, what Dora was demonstrating when she danced with her robot so effectively was what is called a cobot in an industrial setting, where you have your packing robot and then you have it working. Getting powerful robots to work with people safely is a big challenge in automation, because robots can actually, big industrial robots can easily kill people. Like any kind of machine where you have to have the robot kind of guarded off. So robots that have the ability to stop when they crash into something properly and so forth, or basically what is being called by the industry cobots, is an important area for using robots in lots of kind of automation settings where it's you just want to have a robot doing a task and then you go to change it and do a different task later. So anyway, excellent cobot work.
Hey, we're missing 8C player.
8C? Where are you, 8C?
Where are you?
Is your camera off? Hello, 8C? Maybe we lost him completely. Shall we go, or do you want to wait a minute? Andre?
Team 8, do you know where Claire is?
I don't know.
All right, we'll have to go and fill that in after. But Claire, if you can hear us, we need you. But go ahead and start the match.
All right, we'll go start. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So this is going to be hard to talk about because there's so much going on in the action all at the same time. 7 robots or something. I see lots of robots in 4C being swept up quite effectively. 4B, not flapping, it's just turning around. But it picked up a can there. Does it flap? Then it flaps. Nice. Okay, reset on 8A. Reset on, what's 4A doing? 4A's picked up at least all the cans on the floor pegs have either been knocked away or they're no longer on the surface. So it's cleaned up. And Holden Jones, 4D, is also cleaned up and is just standing pat. We got 3 seconds left in this thing, guys. And that is time.
Okay.
So, looked like 4 picked up a bunch of cans again, but I didn't see it very well.
Okay, wait. Claire was there for a second. Okay, let's restart the clock for 8C to run.
All right. Are you ready there, Claire? Where is 8C? I just got to see this. Oh, she went away again. There it is. Okay. Hey, Claire, don't leave us.
Oh, sorry, my phone has some problems.
Yeah, no, I understand. I was just so proud of my new phone because my old phone had problems. So here we are. All right. I give you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And while we're doing that, can all other members of 4 and 8 please put your scores in? Thank you. All right, come on, 8C. What are you doing? What is this robot doing? It's kind of stopped. It started, and then it's like, oh, I'm not happy. Oh, now it's doing. Oh no, did it do something? Did you boost it? Give it a nudge.
No, it's not moving.
It's not moving. That's true. Maybe all its batteries have like given up or something. So 24 seconds you've got. If you want to reset or anything, you could do that. Well, now it's moving.
No.
Oh no! Oh no! Is that robot? Do you have a various? Do you have the sonar on there, or how is it supposed to sense? I guess it has. You have a tape boundary. Anyway, that's time, so that's okay. Round of applause for these 2 teams, guys.
Good job, you guys. All right.
Looks like Team 4 did rather well again in that heat. They got 8, 8, 7, and 8 for a total of 7.75 average.
And yeah, and they want to delay their entertainment until they're eliminated, I think.
Okay.
So we're on to the next match, Team 2 and 10.
Team 2 versus Team 10. The previously there, Team 2 got 0.5 points and Team 10 got 0.25 points. Both teams were on 0.25 points. So this is a battle to get onward to the next round. Which do we have, everyone? 10D.
Give me a 10-second countdown.
Okay, so
please.
yeah, we'll give you a 10-second countdown. 2A and B are a double. So we're going to run 2 heats. So if anyone wants to go, if anyone from 10 wants to go in the second heat, we could do that. Actually, 10D, do you want to wait and go in the second heat?
Sure, I can do that.
Okay, why don't you do that? Just gives us a little bit less confusion. Gives me less confusion. Very good. Okay, everyone else, I'm going to give you a 5 count here. This guy's fired up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. 10B, fly off and getting reset. I love this floor somehow on 2D. I want to see it like, it looks like those cans are going to go flying because the floor looks really slippery. 2A has got the cardboard out, which is definitely something I would imagine consider doing. Oh, they got jammed. 2D's jammed on the can. You see, it flipped one in and then it got hung up. I see 10A has picked up a can, at least one can. 10C has picked up at least a can, looks like. 2C is kind of moving fitfully, shall we say. Now, 10A is going to go to its bin. Come on, 10A. Let's go. it turns around, it backs in. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Like 10A got, I think that was at least 3 cans there. Very good. Okay, so I haven't followed everything else. I see 2AB has cans, and that's time, folks. The 2AB got some cans in their bin, which they're dragging around. I think that counts.
All right.
That is that. So.
What do we got here?
Very good. Okay, so we are going to have another heat, and that is going to be 10D versus 2B. And the other two guys, 2C and yeah, you can shut off their 6B. Oh yeah, 6B. 6B, can you shut off your video? Thank you. All right. You want a 10 count?
Yes, please.
All right, here we go. 10. No, oh, actually, 2B, are you ready? No, 2B is nowhere near ready. You got to reset your can so we can do this heat. Okay. Oh, the old tricky thing of putting the can upside down. There we go. You would be amazed, and actually, you might not be amazed how much engineering excellence has gone into pop cans to get them to be so light, which makes them very efficient in terms of the amount of material that gets used to house the pop, but it makes them very easy to move around and flip out of your robot when you do this because they're so light. Are you ready, everyone? I'm going to give you a 10 count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And they are off. So the flapping commences. 2A, they got 1 in the can. Now 10D is shouldering out of the way. That can, that's not good. The tape following is not bad, but the arms are so wide. Now, can they get this one? Come on, get in there. There we go.
There you go.
They got a second one here, which they're going to move out of the way. So they only got 1. And they're going to drive up on their ramp type thing and then drop this thing off. Yeah, they got a big ramp. Actually, goes all the way back. I can see it now. It goes all the way back to the back of the thing. So I think they got 1 can there.
Yeah, and the other robot's still running with.
And the robot's still running, and it's got 1 can, and it just needs to get another can, and then it can win this heat. But can it get its arms are not in the right place for a lot of this? That is the problem. We are on what's our time here? 4 seconds.
Oh, it's okay.
Get in there, and that's time.
Oh my God!
Yeah, my alarm just went off, so I'd call that one good. So they got 2.
I think they got the 2 points.
They got the 2 points. Everybody else needs to be putting your scores in, Team 2 and Team 10. So,
I got 1 can each time.
Well, excellent. So
yeah,
put
good
1
job.
down. That's okay. 1 can, a can in the bin is worth 2 in the lane, as they say.
Okay, if I did that right. 2B, we need to. Oh no, there it is. There it is. The Team 2 wins that heat.
Yeah.
That was close, actually.
3 points average versus 1.5.
Yeah.
Entertainment for this heat, we are looking at. Oh, no one. And so we're going right on to the next one. 6 versus 11. 6 versus 11. Where are you? There you are. Hello.
Hello.
All right. There's Ben who puts his phone or whatever way up. See this lovely headphone and microphone set that I have. My son got this, who's 16, got this for me for Christmas because he doesn't like any of my music, whether it's new music or old music. It's all bad parent music. So I have this, and then of course COVID kicked off, and all of us are in conference calls all day long, and it's just been very excellent. So it turned out to be a genius gift.
You're missing 11C.
I'm missing 11C. Okay, where are you? Are you
I'm
coming,
going
11C?
with Nando. I'll go with Nando next, so he's not alone.
You going next round?
Okay, all right.
Okay, very good. We are going to start this then. If everyone's ready, no one's not ready. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Now, we saw the same thing. I love these yellow robots. They appeal to me because they look like construction machines. Yellow coroplast or whatever that is. It's rattling around with a can. It did get a can, but then it just couldn't close down on it. Got to close down on it. Meanwhile, 6B, which is this is a trend. We see a lot of these big scoops that then knock as many cans out of the way as they actually manage to capture. It's a funny business. All right, but they got a couple cans there on 6B. So that's, better than the poke in the eye with a sharp stick, as my mother would say. And 6D is picking up 4 cans. And I see 3 cans from 6A. So progress is being made there. 11D is struggling. They're doing a reset. How are we doing for time? We have got 4 seconds remaining. And that is time. That is time. So on the surface there, it looks like 6 had a number of them that were actually working on a number of cans. But let's get you guys put your scores in as quick as you can. We're going to run the second heat here, which is going to have 11C and 11B.
No, why are people folks? Edit only the yellow squares, please, or the yellow cells. Do not edit the stuff that I'm editing.
Right? Yeah, that looks good. Thanks.
Okay. Oh, here comes the cat. I can tell you, no conference call is good, is complete. Oh, yes. I want a round of applause for the cat. That's so awesome. That is like the highlight of the competition right there.
I thought everybody in this heat had gone at once, but there's just a couple.
Yeah, we've got to have a run. We're going to run here with, so 11C you're running, and 11B are you running? 11B you're muted. Yeah, okay. 6A, are you running? Or are we just going to keep the video there because the cat's there? Ben, you could just keep your video on because the cat is good. Okay, 5 count. We'll entertain the cat here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, that's the sound of cans being knocked over. There's one. Come on. Oh, come on. That was so close. Gonna do a reset here. Oh, so sad. Same with 11B is just this method of having this skinnier gripper. It might be quite robust to pick up a can, but it's you could pick it up from a lot of surrounding obstacles, for example. But clearly, you have to be very precise in how you approach the can in order for that to work. There's chasing one there on 11C. Oh man, there goes the cat. Bye, cat. Awesome. Come on, guys. You can do it, robots. Just not. There we go. Come on. Get they knocked them over. It shows you how difficult it is. Like the vision required. Okay, that's time, guys. That's it. Wow. Round of applause anyway for efforts. I think they didn't pick up any cans there, but there you have it. All right, so that was a 5.75 for Team 6. So Team 6 is going to take that one.
6 definitely wins that one.
Definitely wins that one. Team 11 has to go back and think about the geometry of the whole thing because they had nothing. We are going to have entertainment from Team 6. Is that happening?
Yeah. Okay.
It's like Ben, who's already entertained us with the cat. So frankly, you've already won.
That's right. The cat is part of the entertainment, actually. So, my cat likes to have the stuffies, likes to run after them and chomp on them, but then he leaves them everywhere. So as you saw, he likes to lie down and run.
Hang out. Right.
So we thought that our recycle bot, it has to pick up after our cat, of course. So that is our new mission.
That's awesome. I love, by the way, your robot is clearly made out of recycled for sale sign. So that's excellent.
They were ironically on sale and were quite cheap.
Huh. So, can we pick up the Beanie Baby cat toy, Cat Chew? And we did. Look at that. There it was. Congratulations. A robot, multi-practic, multifunctional robot.
Yeah.
Well
All right,
done.
that's all for me.
All right. Round of applause for Ben and the cat toy. Well done. And a nice job on your scores as well. All right. We are moving forward, I believe, to team.
Wait, is there more?
Is there any more entertainment? Oh, there is. Davis. Jay Davis.
What
do you have for us?
To recycle other robots. So let's take a look at that.
Oh, your video's hung up. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's just flaking a bit. That's a very small robot. Followed by a very large robot.
There we go. It's caught on the lip.
Sorry, you have
at
some.
least it's made a new friend. At least.
There you go. Okay, I was seeing your video is kind of hanging up, but we appreciate the sentiment for sure. There it is. Hello. Right. Did you get it in there?
Yeah, it's stuck in the robot. It's made a new friend.
Awesome.
Can everyone read this, or is it reversed right now?
No, you can read it. Ask again later.
All right, cool. So I turned my robot into a Magic 8 bot. So I know we don't have much time for class interaction, but I know the most pressing questions that the class wants answered. For example, is there any hope of us receiving our Phys 250 marks before the next co-op term?
Oh, that's hilarious.
Wrong mode, sorry. Switching modes. Well, I don't know, man. You heard it from here. This is the robot's prediction.
Yeah, there it is. That's awesome. That's very good. It's kind of a troll, but it's a clever troll, which is really the best kind of troll. All right. Oh wow! And now we have 6D. What do you got? What do you got for us, Tyler?
It's been doing a lot of hard work here, and I think honestly, it could just use a nice ice cream sandwich, a nice snack. Poor thing's going hard. So
Oh, it's eating the ice cream sandwich, wrapper and all.
you really tried. It doesn't want it though.
Can't quite get up the slope. Oh well.
Not for me.
But it did. It got the ice cream sandwich. Congratulations. Awesome, guys. Great job. Very good. We are going to go to match 14, which is team 3 versus team 16. We got 3 more matches to go in the whole round robin, and then we'll have quarterfinals and semis and finals.
Yeah, we'll take a little break so I can figure out who advances, and maybe we'll do some more entertainment during the break.
And we're going to take a break so I can go downstairs and get a coffee, because one of the great things about the Genome Sciences Center is we have the espresso club, and we also have a milk club. So there.
Andre, I think you've disabled my video.
Sorry, let me see.
Yeah, me too, Andre.
Who was that?
Adam and Dante.
What numbers?
3A.
16A.
Okay, did that help? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Andre.
So we have here, are we doing, this is all one heat. Everybody's on a different playing surface here in both teams. Is that right?
Yep.
I think so. All go at once.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7.
Team 16 is only 3 people.
Okay. There is your problem. Okay, excellent. And team 3 is the one with the ramps. So let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a 5 count. Let's get the phone out. We're a timer. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And they're off. I'm watching 3D. It's picking up cans. 16's on a reset. One of them. Come on, 3D. Get another can. There you go. Just that wacky tape following. Oh, looks like 3B has actually picked up 4 cans. But it can't. Can it hold them with its little tiny forks? Very skinny forks. Oh, look at this ramp. This is going to be a run. This is a pull. Holy smokes. 3B, folks. Look at that. That was like a lot of, wow. Is your robot called Meth Lab there, Beth?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Nice. 14 seconds, 11 seconds. What is going on here? I see 3C as dumped cans.
For me, it got stuck.
I see 3A. 3A is dumped cans.
Yeah, I'm done. It got stuck.
And we're done. All right, that's it. Time. Okay, so lots of good things happened there. I think there should be, if this was back in the old Life building, as they now call it, there would be raucous cheering for great success. But for now, we'll just all cheer where we are, and we'll get these scores. But I'm predicting here that 3, I can actually give you a sneak preview. Team 3 had 8 points, 1 point, and 2 points. So a total of 4.75. And Team 16 so far has 4 points and 0 points. And then they have one more score to come on Team 16. I like that the meth lab robot there, though. Who did I say it was? Not the one we're looking at here, Becky, but the one I was talking to had got
Beth. Yeah.
Beth made those forks, made the big forks actually work. And I think I'd love to go back and look at a replay of that, because I think if you're gonna have the big wide forks, not swinging around too much is really helpful. All right, so there you go. So the average is that definitely was in favor of Team 3.
Yeah.
And so we are going to. Do we have entertainment for this one, or we're?
We do not.
No, not this round. Okay, 14 versus 13 is our next one. Penultimate round robin. 14 versus 13. So
video's on.
Video on. Oh yeah, it's hello 14 and hello 13.
I can't hear it for some reason. Oh, I can hear it. Wait, I can't hear him actually.
All right, so this again, we're going to run. We're running basically 2 joint playing surfaces, so we're going to run 4 heats. So let's bang them off one after another here, real quick. Make sure everyone's ready. All right, I'm going to start the first one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And once again, 14 reverses first. 13 drives off into a corner. Come on, 13. All right, 14. I didn't see if they got a can. Now they're finding a can, and they're putting a can in their can holder.
Do you want some lunch?
I want some lunch.
Let me know. I did very good today so far.
All right. 14A steadily cruising around. We're getting a
Where are you going? Oh, well, I'll get the paper. I forgot. Lori's
18 seconds to go. 18 seconds to go. Getting a reset here again from 13A. Come on, 13. Get a can. Oh, it's just not seeing them. It's just not seeing them. And that is time, folks. That is time. All right, so in the bin, we've got, looks like there's 1 or 2 cans there on Team 14. Once everybody reset, and we'll do the second one. All right. Everybody ready? Okay, we'll give you a 5 count. Sorry. My phone here. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And there is 1 for Team 14. And it's going to get another one, a second one for Team 14. See, they're very good at spotting where they're going. Come on, Team 13. Turn around. Wow, that's a really nice mechanism there, Team 14, on that one. At least it seems to be working very consistently. And oh no, now it's not. Now it's like lost its marbles. It's had a seizure. Come on. Oh no, it's seen a can. Another can. Nicely done. 3 seconds. And that is time. All right. Nice job. Team 14 definitely got some there. All right, Team 13, I didn't see if you got one, but I think you did. All right. All right, everyone's reset.
Just about.
Okay, I'll give you a couple more seconds here, and we're gonna go.
Yeah,
all right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, you see all these robots doing very similar things. They actually have more of them. I assume you're all running basically the same software, though. You're doing it like this. All the same software? Oh, come on, Can. Come on, 13. Ah, they got the can in their little, oh dear. They got the can there, then it didn't happen. All right, another pickup from 14 here. Doing very nicely. Turn. And you're gonna chuck. Very good. 2 more cans to go. How many cans we start with? 6? No, 8. There's a can on 13. 13 got a can. Look at that. I love the mechanism. Come on, let's go back and dump it. That was time. All right, time there. That was it. All right. So one more reset. So the 4th one. Don't forget to put your scores in, everyone.
Right. What was that? Sorry. Yeah. You're okay. I think it's possibly
Make sure everybody's reset. We will commence very shortly here. All right, it looks like 13 are happy.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, we are going to fire up the infernal iPhone. Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And I love that Team 14 has actually taken the trouble to not only have identical robots, but even get the color of their coroplast of their different components the same for extreme consistency.
That's really good.
Yeah. Deep in their development laboratory. Team 14, where is your secret development laboratory? Like, what municipality are you in? They're not hearing me. All right, what's going on with 13? 13 is sitting there. 13, do something. Reset. Oh, lovely. With 2 to go. 13 is just, this version, 13D is just not happening today for us. He's very sad. And that's time, folks. All right. That looks like 5. So there's Team 14 had 277 and waiting for the last score. Team 13, you got to put your scores in. Put your scores in, Team 13, please. We also are expecting from this heat entertainment, no less, from Team 14. If they have any entertainment, Team 14, now is your chance for synchronized dancing or whatever else you want.
I searched this one before, but
All right, and Team 13, please enter your scores in the meantime.
computer set.
Look at this. What an effort. What an effort. You know, historically, actually, you could say that the 253 teams would build one robot, but really they'd actually end up building the same robot about 4 times.
Yeah.
So I don't know if this is actually more work. It may well be, but here we are. All right, guys, are you ready? Anytime.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
No way.
Nicely done, guys. Good job.
Oh no. I'm retiring.
The can, if you missed that, they're basically trying to pass the can from each robot to each other robot and then into the bin, which they succeeded in doing, sort of, but it fell out the first time or something.
It was the human element.
It was the human element. Yeah, oh well. All right, anyway, round of applause for Team 14. They're going into the next round with a big score. Very good. Awesome, guys. And we will next have the last heat of the round robin, which is Team 5 versus Team 15. So Team 5, which previously scored, let's see, where did they score? Team 5, previously got a 0. And Team 15 previously got a 0. So let's see you guys get at least one thing. Time for a thing.
Guys, can I again highlight not to mess with any cells in the spreadsheet except the yellow ones? It'll make a huge mess.
Yeah. All right. So Team 15, Team Leslie. Team Leslie? Why is it called Team Leslie?
The number of different letters in each of our team members' names is astonishingly small. And Leslie, one of our team members, her name includes a chunk of each of our names. So it's L for Leslie, E for Emily, S for Seth, and then Lee for Wesley.
Right. Excellent. Okay, 5C, are you ready? So what are we doing here? We've got 5A and D together, so they need to run twice. Everybody in 15 is separate, yes. And then that's it. So we're going to run 5 second heat. Okay, so for the first one, if any of Team Leslie want to run in the next heat, like after this, they can sit out and run the next one. That would maybe be more entertaining. So I don't know if one of you guys, like Emily, do you want to wait or something?
Sure.
And run the next one? Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so for the rest of you, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. The Leslie's iPhone that has all of the paper randomly tied to the ground. Well, there's a strongly assisted 5B there with Cassandra, so there's that. But, you know, strongly assisted, but nevertheless. I love the rubber bands. You see the friction generating rubber bands? There you go. There's some heavy, this is more of a demo there from 5B, but that's okay. All right, 5C, what's 5C doing? 5C is, come on 5C. I like this claw. I like the claw design. I want to see it work. Come on, 5C.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
Oh, look, 5C got one, and yeah, it's doing the same problem where the beacon is problematic or something.
No.
It's not working. And then
it's fine.
Beacon's not strong enough. Did we lose? No, we actually. All right, we're done for time. We are done for time. So,
all right.
The second guys, or Emily, and the other second team, Gronk, nice. That was that the robot from Silent Running? An 80s sci-fi, or was that from Star Wars? Gronk.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. Okay.
Gonk.
There was a similar robot in this movie Silent Runnings. Somebody once made a list of the top 10 most annoying robots in science fiction. One of the robots in science fiction, C-3PO was actually widely regarded, I believe, to be the most annoying robot in science fiction. But the Black Hole movie from the 80s, as well as Silent Running, I think that's the name of the movie, both had fairly annoying robots in them as well. On that note, we are going to run this second one as soon as we get the video back from Jared and Thomas. There we are. All right, somebody act as cameraman. This looks good. Emily from Team Leslie is ready. I will give you a 5 count here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Come on, row 5 bod. You must work. And Leslie's robot. Oh, come on, Leslie. Here we go. Okay. Oh, yes! 2 cans from Emily. 2 cans. That was awesome. Fantastic. Well done. I guess that means your robot's done, so you're going to stand pat with that, but that's pretty good because not a lot of other robot scores coming in. Actually, everybody who's already done, there's a bunch of you there on the last round, on the last heat. Please put your scores in on the spreadsheet, please. Now, 5D is busily trying to put stuff in, and it's just, it can get back and it can get in and it can get to its bin, but it's just not picking up the cans. It's got to pick up the cans. What are we doing for time here? 3 seconds to go. And it picked up a can and it dropped the can. Oh, that's devastating. That is time, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Oh, great job.
All right, let's have a round of applause for all these guys, everybody for round 1, for the round robin. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sorry. I think I'm 15D. I missed the heat.
You missed the heat?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, you're a second heat in the same thing? You just missed it.
We're on the same track, and then you told Emily to go in the next heat.
Oh,
no worries. Okay.
Well, all right, sorry.
Go now.
You go now. Yeah, you go. Right. You go now. I'll give you 5 count.
Well, yeah, give him a sec. But
okay.
Where'd he go? He's gone.
Come back, team. There you are. Oh, now you're okay. There we go. All right. You're muted. You can unmute yourself for this. Unmute yourself.
Okay, I'm muted.
All right. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I did that.
So how did you end up randomly sticking paper onto different parts of the track? Was that just kind of like tuning your tape following by randomly attaching paper?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, you got to do what you got to do. All right, you gonna do a reset?
We're
Are you done? All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll call it at that. It's 27 seconds to go. But if it's not going to do anything, we'll call it good. Okay, let us have a final round of applause in your own homes for everybody. Awesome.
So can I finish entering your scores, please? Team 3, can you confirm that your scores are correct? There's someone was saying they might have gotten overwritten. Okay, thank you. So finish entering your scores, please. And Robin, can you run any remaining entertainment while I try to figure out dances?
I will do that. Can I go back here and say, sorry, I went to the wrong thing here. Okay, so we had team 2, 3, 4, and 10. We're going to entertain on elimination. Have any of those guys, or has anybody, who else had put their entertainment out to the end of this round? Anyone?
Team 5 as well. I think we were supposed to go right after this last heat.
Okay, do you guys, oh yeah, you are supposed to go right. So why don't we have team 5 then?
Yeah, sure. Can you guys see this okay, this video?
Yeah.
Awesome, yeah. So Thomas and I have been working real hard to make a new formula. We called it our Super Sizer 3000. over 3,000 iterations went into this growth serum, and Thomas is going to tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, so tons of hard work, lots of very advanced chemical engineering went down over here in this garage. What we actually included is that a 2-to-1 ratio of hamster sweat to ham sweat actually makes a very effective growth serum. So who knew? So I'm going to demonstrate it on our robot over here. All right, here it goes.
Spray the wheel and whoa, that happened. Whoa. Wow, look at that.
Oh, see, there you go. It really works over here. Here you go. That's all it takes.
Well done. That was extremely silly. Remarkably silly. Anyway, well done though. That was great. Hamster sweat. Takes a lot of hamsters to get some hamster sweat. Any other entertainment right now, or other people waiting to be eliminated?
Team 4 should be good to start.
All right, why don't you guys do this? Whoa, robotics. Oh, looks like a beer pong setup. You've got your cups. What are they doing? It's very mysterious. Oh, they've carefully positioned their beer cups.
All right, so the robot picks up cans, but if you're having a bad night on the beer pong table, you can always call it. You can also call it in for a celeb shot. And
oh, almost. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Let's do it again. Ooh, let's do it again. Beer pong robots, the best. They're getting chucked. I guess one. I saw one go in at least.
3 balls.
Look at that. That was awesome. What a multi-practic, multifunctional robot. It was very good. Are those actual ping pong balls, or are they like kind of more rubber balls?
Those are real ping pong balls. And
Real. Okay. Awesome. All right.
Another robot that does it with a bit more range here too.
Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah. Nice. Getting bizarre video stills of this. Very good. Well done, guys. That was great. This was very similar. In 2002, I was alluding to the ping pong robot. So we played, we had a thing where you had the 8-foot playing surface. It ended up being 2 8x8 foot sections with a barrier in between. And the robots were chucking balls onto the other side. And the goal was to chuck more balls on the other guy's side than your side. And at the time, the computation was so slow that you had to follow tape. We used one computer to follow tape and another computer to follow IR, so you could track like your launcher aiming computer thing. It was amazingly challenging compared to what we have now. All right, what do we got?
all right, I'm going to see if my dog can catch a ball.
I don't know. Okay.
It's pretty comparable.
Sorry, I have one on team 2.
This is an incredibly well-trained dog. Holy smokes. Look at this, guys.
Wow. Yeah, I don't know.
Right. Oh my goodness.
What's this? What's this?
Oh my goodness. Oh.
There we go.
That's awesome. Congratulations. All right, who's next?
Yeah, so I have a robot dance here. The name of the dance is called "What Could Go Wrong." Also, that's the name of the robot. Yeah, that's here.
Dance Revolution. Here we go.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Disconnected one thing.
Yeah, don't do that. Make sure it's in dance mode.
There.
All right.
Come on, move.
Here we go. I love your treads. You got like this is a cool thing. He's got tank treads on the, which look like they're made out of rubber bands or something.
Yeah, and that's it.
It's awesome. All right. Well, props for your tank tread dance. That's really cool. Very good.
Okay, don't forget everyone to score for your entertainment, your favorite entertainment here.
Yeah, put that score in the entertainment points. I see it's being well populated here. All right. And you can score both on artistic style, on humor, and on technical, audacity. So Andre, what would you like to do here? Do you want to input the quarterfinals? Should we take a 5-minute break and come back?
I would keep going if that's okay with you.
Sure,
we're set. We know what's happening.
Okay. So you filled out the quarterfinals here.
Yeah. Whoops. So who's talking?
Team 10.
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah. We're ready to do our entertainment.
To your entertainment.
Oh, awesome. Let's do that.
All right. Let's do that. Yeah.
Okay. So we put the robot here, and then we. Now it plays follow the person. And now
was that Mary Had a Little Lamb?
Yes, that was Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Nice.
Awesome.
Well done.
And now it follows me around.
It's following.
Wow.
All right.
That's very good. Oh my goodness, that is very funny. There's a question in the chat about where do we see the quarterfinal schedule. It's on the scoring sheet. The first tab of the scoring sheet, it says elimination qualifiers, I guess, and then so match 17 is going to be Andre. Yeah, this is A1 versus B2. So this is
no. So I've populated that. If you go to the scoring sheet, entering your scores. So the following teams advance to the finals, and congratulations. Yeah. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, Team 6, Team 12, Team 14, and Team 16.
Yeah.
So those next 4 elimination rounds are now populated. So teams 1 and 2 should be preparing to run. Then 4 and 3 after that, 6 versus 16 after that, and 14 versus 12 after that. So congratulations to everyone for your performance so far, and we are now, I think, ready to start with the finals. So the remaining 8 teams. Just so everyone understands, the winner of each group made it forward, and second place in 3 out of the 4 groups made it forward, and the 4th team I picked based on total performance points. So as it turns out, the 8 teams that scored the most points have also made it forward into the finals.
Excellent. All right. So team 1 versus team 2, I guess, is our first competition here.
Yeah. All right.
Right on. Team 1 scored a 5.5 and a 6.25. Team 2 scored a 0.5. What else did they score? They scored a 3. All right. So once again, we'll try to divide up these heats. If we have to run 2 heats, which we're going to do here, we'll see if we can run some combination of heats. So I see A and C are together. So there's all team 1 is up. Team 2, where are you guys at?
Wait, did Team 10 not finish their entertainment?
I'm not sure. I thought they did, but
Yeah, my other group members, they had something prepared as well.
Oh, sorry.
Let's do that after this heat, if that's okay.
Yeah, let's do that. Exactly. Sorry, guys. All right, 2AB. Good. To C. Are we expecting 2D or 2D? No, we still have. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, so we're gonna run 2 heats here. We're gonna run each of which have got contributions from 1 and 2. So first 6 heats. We're gonna start. Ready. Everyone ready? Anyone not ready? AC 1 AC. You guys are muted. You can unmute yourself so I can you can talk to me if you want.
Yeah, same with 2AB.
Yeah.
We're actually going through Jaden's laptop for audio.
Okay. All right. Yeah. As long as you guys are happy with your what you can hear me and I can hear you. Okay. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. What do we see?
Oh, 1D had a good start.
1B had a good start too. These guys are high-scoring teams, so they with their asymmetrical. Oh no, 1B lost. Oh, it's going to get the same can and fail to pick it up.
Not again.
Second time. Now it's got one better. There you go. There's 1. All right. What's going on? 2C is kind of trundling around slowly. 2A is flapping. Was that the one that flapped itself into pieces earlier? Looks like it's back. I might be wrong on that. It might be a different one. All the team 2 are all following tape very slowly, but they seem to be kind of following. Now 1B is off to a good start, and 1A has 2 cans as well. Oh, 1B didn't quite. They were waggling around and kind of missed it. All right, so they're standing pat. Still some action from 1D. 5 seconds to go here. Saw a little assist there, a foot assist from one of them on one of the Team 1 robots. So they maybe didn't get that last one. All right, we are done. So everybody put your scores in.
Yeah, we're done.
I, meanwhile, will call upon also the 2 double teams. You can reset, and we can run that next heat.
You reset.
Wait, I went against.
Okay, folks, if you just ran, make sure you enter your scores, please.
Yeah. All right, Team 1C is going to go up against 2A.
Oh. We need just a minute because we have to talk about a servo motor.
Sure, okay.
No. This one's hard to get. I'll do this one.
How much time do they need? Should we do some entertainment from Team 10?
Yeah.
Could we do that?
Sure. Team 10, are you there? Can you entertain us?
Ready.
Team 1, just stand by here. Team 2 has a technical.
Team 10.
Team 10, are you listening? Can you
Hello, I can do an entertainment. Just give me.
Please do. Excellent. Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it. You're muted.
You're up,
Jane.
If you're going.
Sorry. So I just have a tower of cans here, and I call this robot bowling, which is why I wanted to do it after competition.
Here we go.
Oh, well
done. Nice.
Looks like one of those cans may have shorted out your robot. But hey, good
Hope
job.
you're entertained.
We were entertained. Thank you.
Excellent. 10. Who else from 10 wants to entertain?
Yeah.
Grace.
You're muted, Grace. Unmute yourself. Oh, here we go. Teddy bear. You're still muted, Grace.
Okay, sorry, I was muted.
Yeah.
We at QQQ are excited to present our latest innovation, Ruby the alarm clock robot, who makes getting out of bed a pleasure. So to use the alarm clock, simply lie down normally in front of the robot when you go to bed and let its soothing blood red color and pleasant jagged edges lull you into a deep sleep. And when the time comes to wake up, the robot will gently tap you on the head while emitting cheerful sounds to invite you to get up. Now, if you've been sleeping particularly deeply and are reluctant to arise after a few moments, the robot will use its acute judgment skills to escalate its invitation for you to get up by tenderly patting you on the head. Finally, the robot will tactfully attempt to push you off the bed, although for the safety of the actor, there was no bed used. Only when you get up will the robot cease its bloodthirsty attempts on your life. And also, welcome to your new day by dispensing some healthy breakfast foods. Frankly, I can think of no better way to start the day off right.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Well done.
All right, 10D, your entertainment.
So my video is not working, but
oh no.
I can. It's an audio entertainment anyway, so.
Oh, there you go.
It'll work. So my entertainment is a duet. Oh. In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. You find the fun and snap, the job's a game. And every task you undertake becomes a piece of cake. A lark, a spree, it's very clear to see.
That's awesome.
Well done. This is very good. Excellent.
Excellent. All right.
Thank you.
Is that everyone from 10? It is everyone from 10.
I think everyone's done it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good job.
Team
Thanks,
2 and Team 1, are you guys ready now? Looks like you're ready.
Yep.
Okay, I will get a 5-second start here. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And what is going on? 2 has picked up.
What? Suck?
I'm like, is my video frozen? And I'm like, tragically, no, it hasn't. The robot got stuck, but they're gonna reset. Meanwhile, Team 1, it's the second can. So reliable.
Oh, it's stuck again.
Notice how Team 1 rather has put down all this paper on this track and it's just running around on the paper. It does make the presumably make the table more straightforward. Well done. Team 2 did get a can. They just got a can, but now they need to move forward. Meanwhile, in the dying seconds of how long here?
Yeah, that's all we got.
Of 10 seconds. Oh, they got it? Did they get it? They got a can there. No, they did. It's a full 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think one's got all of them.
Yep.
Maybe.
Very good. A full pull. Nice job, guys. Time is done. So, very well done from Team 1.
Enter your scores, but I'm pretty sure 1 moves forward. Congratulations.
Yep. Yeah, Team 2, you didn't enter all your scores. If you can do that.
Please finish entering your scores. It's important overall.
Overall, yeah. Okay, so next is going to be Team 4 versus Team 3. Team 4 versus Team 3. So what do we got here? Oh, yes, the meth lab. Right on. And the robots. Okay, so Team 3 is the meth lab. This again is going to be 8 versus 8. Everyone's in a separate spot here. Is that right? I've got 8. Yeah, I've got 8 up right now. So awesome. We'll get the shot one shot this heat. Is everyone ready? Is anyone not ready? All right. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And team 4, which has built the very large robots with the very flappy guys. And there's a lot of flapping going on. Wow, that's a very tall bin that is being dragged around on 4C, for example. Oh, and then the ramp guys are team 3. So yeah, we've seen some good success there. Particularly, where was Leslie there? Or not Leslie.
Oh no! 3B just lost its way on the bin.
Oh no.
3D.
3D, it's only got a couple cans, which is not as much as it's had sometimes, but it's about to get up there. Oh, they're going to pick that last one, the stray one, and get 4 in there. Good job, 3D. What else is going on? Oh, Nick, I love this. Like 4C is just chucking cans everywhere. It's awesome.
How's the time, Rob? It's going to be close.
Time is 4 seconds to go, and Becky is about to dump.
Count down.
0, done.
Oh, wow. All right.
So, yeah, I called it on 0 at 0, so that was that. So that was correct.
All right, folks, enter your scores. That was close. I have no idea what happened.
Yeah, that was close. There was success. Lots of success going on there.
Yeah. No idea. Please enter even if you got 0. We need the zeros populated.
Yeah.
Waiting on 2 scores from team 4. 4E, no, 4C and D. Okay, 4C, your last score. We need it.
All right.
All right, that goes to team 4. Congratulations, both teams. That was excellent.
It was 7. That's interesting. So the scores for team 4 were 6, 9, 7, and 7. And the scores for team 3 were 7, 0, 0, and then 6. So actually, team 3 did very well, but less so on consistency than on the actual. Their successful teams were successful robots were quite successful. So moving along to 6 versus 16, and again, what are we doing here? We've got actually 3. Do you want to stop your video, Adam? Team 3A. There you go. All right. So. And 4, Mikal, also stop your video.
Oh, sorry. Do we need to do our entertainment?
Oh, whoops. Are you doing
it? Shall we do Team 4 entertainment right now? Andre?
I don't know. Whatever you're into.
Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this heat, and then we'll do Team 4 afterwards.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Okay. Okay. So 6 versus 16. And we have got everybody, and everybody is, again, a separate team. I feel like we're missing one. 6A, 6B, 6D, 6C, 16A, 16B, 16C. Where's 16D? Or does that even exist? Yes, it does. Oh, no, it doesn't. You're a 3-person team. There you go. So we are ready. Anybody not ready? Please unmute yourselves if you want so we can hear you in case you have to panic. Ben, you're always so happy. I think it's because of the cat. It's very good. All right. Here we go. 5, 4, 3.
Oh, no, wait.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay, start again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Wow, look at that.
So what is going on here? Cans are flying. Davis got a couple, although he's at a reset, so I think that maybe that doesn't count. Sean here, 6C, has got a can. Of the slow-moving, inevitable flipper thing. That's kind of neat. Callista, it's a reset. Her robot's running around. She's resetting. Okay. Dante here, 16A. Is he following tape? He was going around the edge of the tape. Yeah, he's come back around. Can't quite see. Oh, there. And he's flipped cans. He's dropped cans. He's got some points.
Yeah.
We can see Ben Brown here with his nice camera angle. He's trundling around. And
how's your timer?
He's got all the cans. Ben has all the cans. My time is done. So we're done. Again, that was very good, everyone. Well done.
I'm gonna call that done.
Everybody, put your scores in, please, from those 2 heats. Again, I can't call that because there were successes on both sides, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
can you get your timer to go off with a bing or something?
it is going off. I'm hearing it. I'm sorry. I'm just not telling you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, and when you tell me, you're very good, Andre. When you say what time is it, it always turns out to be like 1 second to go. It's here vibrating in my hand.
Excellent.
All right. So we were gonna have entertainment from Team 4. Yes.
Yes, let's do that while we get.
We'll get these guys to put their scores in.
Does anyone? Did I? Team 4.
Hey, Team 4, where are you at? And Team 16, yeah, Dante, you can turn off your video.
Hey, it's Team 3, but you blocked my video. I've been banned.
Let me re-enable Team 3. Hang on.
Thank you.
Team 3.
Oh, sorry, Team 3, yeah.
Team 3, yeah. There we go.
All right. My bot has not survived this stunt yet, but here we go.
Oh my goodness. This could end in tears. Oh, yes!
Amazing!
Yes! Brilliant! It worked.
No injuries.
That was
incredible. Well done.
Amazing.
Nice.
That's the first survival. Amazing.
Nice work on the bot. Well done. All right.
Good job. That was excellent.
Solid entertainment. Don't forget to put your entertainment scores in, folks.
Anyone else going from Team 3?
Anyone else from Team 3? If not,
all right, we can also call a winner here. Team 6 won that quarterfinal. Congratulations.
Yeah, they got 5.25 average versus 1.3 average. So there you go. And now we are going to do 14 versus 12. 14 versus 12.
All right.
14 has had a score of 5.75.
And it's doing me. How do I?
And a score of 7. 12. What has 12 had? 12's had a score of 1.75.
I didn't want to touch it.
And 2.5. All right. So everyone is, what do we got here? So this is, again, 14 has to run all the 4 heats sequentially. So that means that with 12, yeah, you've got one other heat to run. So,
Dannon, what team are you on? I need you to rename.
Oh shoot! Sorry, I think I left.
Just tell me, and I'll do it for you.
I'm on Team 12.
Which letter?
12A.
12A.
Yeah. Okay, so for this one, actually, if why don't we run, because we've got all 4 heats on the other ones, why don't we run Team 12 in the same order? So we'll run 2 heats at a time. So 12A, Dannon, you run against 14A, and then 12B afterwards we'll run against 14B and so forth. So Kenneth, you can wait a little bit as well. That will mean it's easier for us to tell what's going on if we do it that way.
Yeah.
So this is 12A versus 14A.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Dannon, we lost Dannon.
We lost your video, Dannon. Dannon is going away and coming back, hopefully. I can't even believe any of this technology actually works this well. Amazing. Dannon, where'd you go? There you are. You're back. Excellent. Okay.
Excellent.
Dannon, you're muted. You can unmute yourself.
Okay, sorry about that.
That's fine. All right, here we go. If you're ready, Dannon.
Yep.
I will give you a 5, a 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And it's off to the races. What we see is that we've had tremendous consistency from Team 14. But Dannon, nonetheless, as scooping with his glorious red robot, but he's doing a reset.
No, there's a restart.
There's a reset. Meanwhile, 14 is doing its thing. All right. So, oh dear. Team 12 didn't pick up the can. There's another can. Oh, yes. Come on. Pick up this can. Let's go. Let's pick up this can. That's what I'm talking about. That's better. Now it's going to reverse. No, it's not. It's going to drive around in circles for a bit. Interesting. What are the 2 foil patches on the floor for? It looks like they're shiny metal. But it now needs to find. Oh, it needs to be a reset. Yeah, so this is an assisted one. Meanwhile, 14, as the time is now 8 seconds to go, Team 14 is doing its consistent thing. Look at this. They come out the side, they turn to the right. Yeah, they missed that one. They're a little bit off to the right.
Oh,
and that is time, folks.
All right, good job, you guys.
That is time. So 14 versus 12.
One more. Right there. No, sorry. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All right. Sorry, guys. This is the part where I blow off my 1 o'clock conference call to do this because it's more fun. But now I can send the conference call people the YouTube link so they can just watch the video instead of talking about Canada's digital technology supercluster. All right, we're gonna go with 12B versus 14B. Are you guys all ready?
Yeah.
Yes. 5, 4, 3. Hang on. Sorry. Cancel again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. All right. What are we doing? Okay. So flapping is happening in 12B. 14's picked up their first one. Oh! I hate it when these cans just go flying around. It's so sad. That's better. Look at this. Here we go. 12B. Come on. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Now they're gonna line up. Now is he gonna reverse into the bin? Oh yes. Because you just have a really reliable robot that gets millions of cans. That's great. But if you get 1 can, it's really about getting 1 can. I want that 1 can. And now he's got 2 cans. Have we got another can there? Oh, there it is. There's another can for 12B. That's so good. And maybe even a third. No, it was not to be. I love all these. I don't know what's up with these patches. But anyway, you've got all these patches.
They're like a third state for the tape senses, Robin. It's like extra reflective.
Oh, I see. So it's like a high state. Oh, reverse. Oh, wow. Backhand. What even was that? But look at that. They got a full pull on 14, and we are out of time. What a heat. 14. Look at that. All the cans. Thank you.
All by one.
All but one. Oh, yeah. All but one. All right. But look at that. 2. I don't know. 12D. See that reverse? That was a reverse alley-oop can deposit right there. That should get style points in the entertainment. I would like you people to up their entertainment score right now. Awesome.
So it's 1 here, and then 1 over 2 back over here. Is this not too close?
All right. What are we doing? Sorry, I'm now having blown off Canada's Digital Technology Supercluster meeting till later. Here we go. 14C versus 12C. I am. Is everyone ready?
Yep.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I like watching a number 12 because their robots are like, well, basically because Team 14 is so consistent that almost always their robots just do the same thing every time, and we've seen it, and it's great. Team 12 here is just such a battle. Look at this. Come on. Let's get that can in there. Oh, yes. Fantastic. 29 seconds remaining. Come on, Team 12. All right. Team 14 got a can. They're a little nervous there. They haven't done this robot was suffering a little bit for some reason, maybe batteries or something. All right. Meanwhile, Team 12 once again goes around the cans and pushes them out of the way with 12 seconds remaining. But they have 8. Now they have to deposit this thing. Come on. Let's deposit this thing. You got 6 seconds to go. Please deposit it. Did they get another can? Not quite. All right. And that's time, folks.
Oh, that one count? Oh, no.
That is time.
Time?
Yeah, we're done.
Good job.
6 months. Okay.
All right. So I don't know what happened there with 12. I think they certainly picked up a can. I don't think they deposited a can. 12D versus 14D. D versus 14. There's 12D. Hello. 14D. Nice. All right. You can unmute yourself, David, or David and Nathan, if you want.
Hello.
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 All right. This is totally 12. Team 12 is like my epic team of reaching for the stars. All right, everyone ready?
Yeah.
No one not ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, 12. It's struggling to follow tape there. 14 is going to get there first can, the way they always do. Go up a certain distance, turn to the right. So 14, do you guys have, like, what are you doing for sensing? Do you have sonar that's detecting cans, or how do you know when you've got adjacent to the can? Sorry, I missed that one.
I think they have sonar side looking.
Okay. There, they got the can that time. There's some good code there. One of the things we've always seen in 20 years of Physics 2x3 is if you get your mechanical stuff working well early, then you have the ability to work on your code and iterate your code. And one of the big things with iterating is basically error handling. So handling all the weird special cases, like when you fail to pick up a can, unfortunately 12 was empty, but it actually did go through its cycle and managed to attempt to dunk. That is time. We're done. That is time.
Finish entering your scores, please. I think it's pretty clear what the outcome's going to be.
Yeah, 14 did reasonably well there. So far, sitting with 3 scores on an average score of 7. So,
nice. I mean, thank you for carrying us to a non-zero score. Appreciate it.
It's important to have a non-zero score. Well,
all right, congratulations.
Do as best you can.
Team 14 advances.
Yeah, with a score of 7 on average versus a score of 1.25. But good efforts for team, especially 12B there. Nice job. All right. Yeah. So semifinals.
Yeah, 1 versus 6.
1 versus 6. Is there any more entertainment to come, or are we done?
I think we might be done.
Anyone who hasn't done any entertainment, let us know in the either or by audio or chat. But I think we're done. Okay. So what are we doing here? 1 versus 6, and so 1 is everybody's separate here. No, except 1A and C. All right. So actually, what I'm going to do here is 6C. That's Sean. Why don't you wait for the second heat? Okay. Okay. Good. So Sean will wait. So we'll run We'll run 3 heats and then a pair of heats afterwards. Ben, you're in landscape mode, or you're in sideways landscape portrait something. I don't know. How do these phones? What even causes that? There you go. Brilliant. All right. Tyler, are you? No, you're not. Sorry, I thought your video was locked in for a second. Tyler, you can 6D. You can unmute yourself if you want, but whatever. If you're happy, I will. Okay, he's got something else going. I shouldn't presuppose you don't understand how the audio in the system works. So very good. I'm going to give. So everybody's running here except 1C and 6C. So I am going to go ahead and start everybody else. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And they're off. 1C with the asymmetrical picker, asymmetrical arm. They're just going to go round the tape, and the cans are sitting just off the tape. Andre, was the rules were that the cans had to be off the tape, but didn't say where?
The cans were on a specific pattern that I gave to them this morning.
I see. Okay, got it. And so the tape was whatever it was.
Yeah, the tape they had to submit last night.
Right. Okay.
This morning, for that matter, before I gave them the can pattern.
Okay, got it.
All right.
And 1A doing brilliantly. They are on a full pull of getting all the cans. Amazing.
Stop my robot.
Is that Alice? Alice has an excellent robot. All right. And that's time, folks. That's time. Sorry, there's a lot going on there, and I wasn't. I saw lots of cans being picked up. I didn't see what the scores are. Can't predict the scores.
Did that count? It was scoring a can when the timer went.
If it was flicking the can, if it was the move was on, you could probably have it.
Okay, yeah. There's a second one after that, but I don't think that.
Yeah, once I called it as soon as my timer went. So after I said that's it, then don't count anything after that. But if it was making the motion at the time, sure, why not? Okay. Like in basketball, if it's in the air, right, then it still counts. Okay. So get your scores in. So we're going to run 1C and 6C. So Sean, are you ready? You're good. And 1C is looks good too. Good. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. The electric excitement is electric. 1 from 6C. 2 from 6C. There's a can from 1C. Oh, now 6C has lost its bearings a little bit. Oh, come on, get back on there. Oh, come on, get back on there. It's just tape following. Look at that. 1C, great tape following. Great gripper, too. It's amazing that asymmetrical gripper seems to be very good at working in a general case. I see 6C has recovered its marbles. It knows where it is. It's now picked up all the other cans, except for 1. Now it just has to dump them. I don't know if you can, Sean, get us a picture, because our camera's kind of fixed here. If you can see where you're going to dump the cans, or you're actually, I guess you're just dragging them around. So you're scoring what you're scoring. So that's fine. Okay. And we are 6 seconds away from the finals. Looks like 1C has got everything, and actually maybe even 6 could get one more if it. Nope, not quite. Timer's done, and we're good. So nice heat, guys. Dragging your cans around. So please enter those scores. Team 1 actually is sitting on a total of 6 average, and Team 6 is sitting on a average of. Actually, Team one.
Sorry, I think somebody put their score in the wrong spot.
Yeah.
Or some of the other team.
Yeah, fix it quick.
Yeah, fix all this.
Please don't kill my score.
I did.
I was like, please don't.
Oh, come on, guys.
It's supposed to be 8.
Don't remove it.
If you're following on YouTube and can't see this, we're just trying to enter the scores. There we go. Okay, 6.75 is the average of Team 1. And with at least
6D to enter.
Yeah, 6D. Where's your score? 6D.
It's critical.
We don't know where you went.
6D. What is your score? There we go. 4. Okay. So that is that was won by Team 1.
Team 1.
Team 1.
Yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations. Yeah, that was 6.75 average versus 5.75. So very close.
Very close.
All right.
Okay.
Team 4 versus Team 14. And remember, Team 6, even though you lost the semifinals, you're in the small final. So you've got one more heat to do.
Yeah. And we'll see how this heat goes. We may change the order of the first, second final, and the third, fourth final.
Okay. So this is looking like Team 14 versus Team 4, and in their garage. And wow, that is an impressive garage there, Nick.
All right, look at that.
Look at that. Oh, and more Cheerios cardboard. Excellent.
Hey, Andre.
Is 4 going to go one at a time, as 14 is as well?
Yeah, if Team 4, if you guys want to run monotonically, like one at a time against Team 14, that'd be great. Why don't we do that?
All right, I'll start.
So 4A, you're not on right now. Your video.
I start as 4B.
Sure, if you want to do that, yeah, just don't let me get lost, okay? Make sure each of you guys get to go. Okay, so this is 14A versus 4B. All right, 14A, you ready? Okay. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And they're off. So team 4, again, team 14, such consistency in the robot's behavior. So impressive. Team 4B. Oh, they're knocking cans out of the way again. But they got that one. Hey, come on, get in there, get in there, get in there. I love your fleur-de-lis, by the way, on your flapper. Nice touch. Got that can. I'm pretty sure they got at least one can there on 4. 14, meanwhile, is doing its 14 thing. Look at this. Look at this. Drive up there. Oh, there's a can. Oh, drive over. Perfect. Oh, dump the can in. We're kind of taking 14 for granted here, but the extent to which they've built a reliability and software consistency into their robot, as 4B gets another one beautifully. 7 seconds to go. What a performance by 14. And building 4 robots and getting them all to do this. That's time, folks. That's it. That's time. All right, so
okay, enter your scores right away so we know totals.
Yeah. Right, so 14B is now going to go up against hopefully 4A. 4A, are you around? Or one of the 4s?
4D now. 4D now.
All right. You want to do 4D? Okay. All right, I'm just going to take note here so I don't get lost. 4B and D. Okay, so this is 14B versus 4D. Okay.
Okay.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, look at that. Okay. Oh, they missed one on 14 there. Get that one, 4B. 4D has got that last can. Come on, it's got to get that can. Come on.
Oh my God. Okay.
They've got less. 14 here is they got a couple, but they're got an opportunity for a couple more here shortly. Time on this is 8 seconds remaining. So they'll get one more over here on 14. At least one more. 3 seconds. Time.
All right.
Oh man, they set the server on that. Christian.
Okay, folks. Scores.
Okay.
Wait, make sure it did plug in.
Yeah, make sure it's not stuck on the physical score.
All right, 4C versus 14C. Is that right?
No sweat. Is there H-bridge plugged in? Gate plugged in? H-bridge plugged in. Is it gate in? Is the sound on? No.
Okay. I am going to start, you guys. Everyone's ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, and 4 gets going. Come on, what are we doing here? Getting hands without. I see. So basically, the strategy is just to drive around the tape, the big wide thing, and hope for the best. They got one. 4C got one. 14.
One that's in there. Oh no, the one that's in there right now doesn't. There's one that's in there that doesn't count.
Okay, it doesn't count.
No, it's I started it wrong, so it locked me in and I had to restart it.
All right, and yeah, 4 still getting them. Are they? No, that one rolled away. We've got 6 seconds to go here. And that is time.
Oh, that counts.
So that last one for 14 doesn't count. So we're gonna have 4A versus 14D next. Anyway, ongoing scores, good scores.
Oh, so close.
So close. No.
Okay.
All right, everyone ready?
Yeah. Yeah, we're good to go.
Okay, sorry. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And the final round of this set. So another can from in the scoop. Did it get into the box? A couple of them now. Oh, they're getting fed in now too. This is 4 I'm looking at. Oh, look at that. All 4 of them get in there. It's turning out to be not a bad strategy, actually.
What's happening with 14?
14 struggling this time.
It's missed the first can.
Oh. Look at that. 4 just got all theirs.
Okay, you got the second can.
Okay. 26 seconds. Oh, missed that one.
No, I missed it.
Got it that time.
Okay, so that's
nice work. 9 seconds remaining. Get this. Get me one more here. Oh, they're just off to the side a little bit, and that is going to be time in 1 second. That's it. Time.
That is it. Okay, we lost video from the other one, but all right, enter your scores, please. Okay. So team 4 takes that one. So the final is going to be a battle between team 1 and team 4. And the next heat will be for 3rd and 4th place between team 6 and team 14. And there's some raspberry pies at stake for that one. 14, you are up.
So they got a couple of scores of 9 there on team 4. Was that from how many? So you get all the cans, and some of the cans are lying down. So you get a couple more points for that, and then you get the 8-inch box.
6 points for the cans, 2 if one of them was lying down and one was standing up, and 1 point for the 8-inch wall.
Okay, so the maximum score you can get is 9.
That is the maximum score.
Right. All right. This is the finals, 6 versus 14, or are we going to do which order would you?
This is the third place final.
Okay,
so 6 versus 14 for 3rd place.
6 versus 14. Okay.
Which has worked out nicely because honestly, teams 1 and 4 were the highest scoring in the semifinals round.
Yeah.
So they'll battle it out for 1st place.
Excellent. All right. What do we again? So 14's got to run. We might as well just do these monotonically again. So 16 versus 14A versus 6A, and everybody else can wait. Why don't we do that?
Yeah.
It's maximum opportunity for me to understand what's going on. So everybody else, if you turn off your video, that's fine. And I am going to give you guys a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 14. See how everyone's batteries do? We've seen this story before in this course many times when batteries get tired over the course of the entire course. Oh, they're going to reset even on 14. They're suffering a bit. Oh, come on, get in there. Look at that for sale sign robot. This 6A with its, again, wide geometry, kind of random tape following and hope for the best. So I have to say, if you're going to build, to build the sensors to actually detect the cans with sonar and then pick them up like that, it's somehow, it's not always easy to get it working, but man, it sure looks great when it works. And, it's tremendous good robotics design. Oh, they're going to get, look at that. Ben Brown gets 2 more. And not only that, but he's got all Canada Dry ginger ale cans for aesthetic consistency. Not that the other guys actually have Coke cans or something. So that's good. I prefer. And we have time there, folks. That's time.
That is it.
That is it. So 14A, it looks like 6A won that. Nice work, Ben Brown, with the cat. Ben, what's the cat's name?
Rico.
Rico. Nice. Yeah, we have I've been in the very successful orthopedic trauma medical device project since 2010, and with our collaborators in Seattle, and actually there have been several conference calls which have had cats, and we feel it's a very good omen for the project. The project just raised $10.75 million US with Series B, and we feel the cats are a very good omen in the conference calls in this project. We are going to do 14B versus 6B. Are you guys ready?
And please, 14A and 6A, please enter your scores.
Yeah, enter your scores, guys. I see.
You can see how this is progressing.
6A has Ben's entered 7 points. 14. Oh, they got 0. Ooh. All right.
Oh, yeah. 14 on a
Batteries are getting tired. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Six B starting slow. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, but 14, did they get 1? Can't see. They knocked a can over. And they got 2 there. They're Canada Dry ginger ale. I mean, not ginger ale.
Yeah, 14 got 1 there.
They got 3. They got 1. 14 got 1. Nice.
Yeah. Uh-oh, 6B's.
6B's got lost.
Tape, it's gone the wrong way. It's got 3 keys. So.
14 is interesting. They've got this mode where they miss by a little bit. And they've done this several times in the last few rounds. They did better in the earlier rounds with that accuracy.
I suspect once they locate the can, homing in's open loop.
Right. Okay, well, anyway, 6, amazingly, with the strategy of blind hope and wide jaws, have got all but 1 can as we are down to 9 seconds. Oh, we're done. Sorry, we're done.
We are done. Congratulations. That was excellent.
Oh, nice job, 6. And good work from 14. So we are now 6C versus 14C. So 14B got 4, and 6C got 7. Everyone ready? No, not yet. I will wait. I'll give you a second. All right. Okay, looks like people are ready. I will give you a 5 count in 5 seconds. Happy? All right. 5, 4, 3. Nope. Sean calls it off. It's like a staging battle in drag racing. I'm not ready yet. All right. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And once again, reversing over. So I see kind of what Team 14's done is they've made their tape go completely around the edge of the playing surface, sort of thing, and that's why they're starting inside. So their reference point is inside of their tape. They back out to get on the tape. And there they are. So 2 cans. I'll tell you one thing about Team 6 is their robots are actually really easy to tell what's going on with the cans. But this time, Sean's going to have to do a reset. So he's going to maybe not score yet. And so 14 has a chance here to pull back a couple scores. Because currently it's 2 versus 7 on the averages between these 2 teams.
There you go for 14.
14's got another one.
Got one.
They got all of them so far. Okay, this is going to raise their score quite a bit. It's going to be a close battle. Okay, so this is
that's some good. Oh, look
3. There's Sean is now rocking. Okay, stop. Done. So 3 for team 6, and I'm not sure there. I think they had maybe 4 more. Anyway, we'll see what the score says when we get there. And of course, there's the extra points for the cans lying down and everything. So that's another thing.
Yeah.
All right, Tyler, 6D and 14D as soon as they reset. $6D.
6D looks.
Everyone's set. I'm just waiting for the cans on 14 to be reset, and then we'll go. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so once again, 6 with their wide strategy, slow moving, slow tape following though. This is going to take up a whole minute, I bet. Waggling back and forth. So let's watch 14 here while we wait for 6 to get around.
What's going on?
14 struggling a bit here. Oh, well, are they? They didn't know. I don't think they got one there. They had a chance. So 6 is going to have 3 cans. I see 6 has a bar on all their robots. They have bars to knock the cans over, presumably making it easier for their. They jammed and then they unjammed. 14 seconds to go. Yeah, they're quite consistent at this, except now they're stuck. But the good thing about dragging your bucket around is, of course, whatever score when your robot dies is the score you get. So with 4 cans there, that is it. We're done. And let's see what we got. I think that was a 0 for 14, unfortunately. Is that right? Yeah.
Was it?
Look, they fell over. So that must be what it is.
Down. That's not a good sign.
Anyway, I wanna like extend, if that's true, I want to extend my impression of brilliance to 14, because I know you guys had some struggles in the last couple heats, but the consistency of the robots earlier and the precision and poise of going and picking up those cans individually and really spotting them and finding them is very impressive. And the consistency of all the robots from robot to robot was super impressive. Precision doesn't always win 2-5-3. In fact, honestly, going back through 20 years of this thing, precision often doesn't win, but man, it shows good robotic design skills. So congratulations, guys. And congratulations to Team 6. Well-earned 3rd place. And, really good design in terms of robustness and getting consistent scores. Good to see. So with a score of 6, average score of 6, Team 6 wins 3rd place. So finals, Team 1 versus Team 4, the asymmetrical scoop or asymmetrical gripper, which has proven so successful.
Since this is the final, Robin, can we run this 2 robots at a time?
Absolutely, yeah, we'll do that.
What's going on?
We will do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. I am going to then I call upon 1A versus, which is, 4A. I believe, Alice, versus, Alice. Is this Alice with her meaty fan robot? Alice is and her meaty fan robot. I'm a meaty fan as well, so I feel your fandness.
All right.
Oh, look at a cat. This is very auspicious.
Andrew, hold off for a sec, Andrew, and we're going to run in order of letters.
Yeah,
here.
so we're going to run 1A versus 4A. So that's it. Okay. So this is Lewis versus Alice. As it were.
The marbles.
For all the fancy electronic test apparatus. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. So I think that, again, we have kind of the precision strategy versus the sort of blunderbuss strategy. Looks like they got a can. There's cans going everywhere. These Team 4 actually does. Oh, did he just sweep the table? They also have the 8-inch bucket, the 8-inch base. So that means they can score 1 extra point. So Alice here, to stay in the game, really has to. Nice job, all the cans.
Wow.
Was that all the cans? That was all the cans. It's like, this is like, I'm not proud or tired. I can do this all day.
Oh, Alice. Look at that.
And Alice is not to be denied all the cans herself. So there you go. Nice job to both of you. Fantastic work. Beautifully done.
I'm going to just turn it off.
Yeah, quit while you're ahead. And that's with 5 seconds to go. That's the best pair heat we've seen yet in terms of success. So this is really the finals that we came here for.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. We will now take 1B, Andrew, versus 4B. Who's 4B?
4B.
4B, where are you? There they are. Mikhail.
Okay.
Hey, Andre.
Yeah.
Could you? This is my computer video. It's saying the host is disabling my phone video, which is what I film with.
Okay, let me find it. What is that one called?
It should be my 4B robots, Michael BW, not the unofficial one.
Looking for it. There you are. There you are.
Cool.
Okay, so take out. Do you want to take out your other video?
Yeah, take out your laptop video. Very good. Okay.
Or I can turn it off. There we go. Brilliant.
Hi.
What was that score for 4A? 4A, can you enter your score?
Yeah, 4A. There you go. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what.
Okay, so
the only difference was the 8-inch wall for that one.
Very good. I am going to call 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And this is tremendously exciting. Because again, these robots have been so consistent. And watch them here go. 1B.
Oh, here, stand out of the way of the.
Stand out of the way, Michael. Yeah, there we go.
Oh no, it's lost.
One is doing it.
Wait, okay, now it's spinning. Oh my gosh.
It's spinning, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, this is the fleur-de-lis one. Excellent.
Goddamn. That was.
Wow, that was lucky. Jeez.
I didn't see. So you managed to get that can back. Wow, these robots are performing with great consistency here, both of them. Look at that. Slowly does it with 20 seconds to go. Andrew's robot just has to get one more can. Oh man, look at that. That is such great reliability. I love those robots. They're just beautifully done. All right, with 10 seconds to go. Everybody, does that mean everybody got every can?
Yeah.
Everybody got every can. Yeah, look at that. Going for the Corona case. Good style there. All right, we're going to go 4C versus 1C. So you do enter your scores. I see, yeah. Team 1 has done that. So, Michael, you do that too. Nick, from his secret bunker garage laboratory, I believe, is going to go up against Jaden. Is that Jaden over there? Hello, Jaden. Yeah. Nice. All right. Is everyone ready? No one's not ready? This new phone is too fancy for me. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. And they are off. Are they? Yes, they are. Here we go. Okay. So one can goes flying, I saw on team 4. So nothing so far. They're pushing some cans out of the way, but they're going to go around their circuit. I wonder if the tape that team 4 has this kind of loop around, was that actually something you just randomly came up with, or was that based on some sort of generative design AI strategy that involved MITI? I could totally see like some AI like design for tracking around and maximally covering the entire playing surface or something. Anyway. Meanwhile, Team 1 is doing its Team 1 thing, which is to get all the cans very consistently, very carefully. And, you know, this is the wonderful thing about this course. This happens almost every year where you just get to the 2 strategies that are so perfect. Oh, no, they lost one. But they might get it back. No, they're not going to get it back this time. They might get it back at the end. What do we have for time? Nope. And we're done.
Oh,
so they both left 1 or maybe 2 cans on the table there. Those guys had 5 cans. So they'll get a couple. They'll get 1 extra point or something because the can's lying down. I don't know. I'll let you guys score it.
Yeah, 2 points for that, but yeah.
Yeah, they'll have an extra point for the can. I don't know which
I think everyone's going to be 1 point shorter. 6 versus what was one
Team 1. What did you have there? 7.
7.
All right,
Oh my
so
God! It comes down to this last one.
It's a third of a point. This is the separation. Currently, after 3, Team 1 has 7.66 points, and Team 4 has 8 points. So 1/3, 0.3333 repeating points is what separates them. So for the fancy stuff, guys, we've all been through this pandemic, and we've had crazy things at the Genome Center here, and I know everybody else has been doing crazy things, trying to do all your courses and doing it online, and there's normally a lot of emotion in Physics 253 at the event, and it's really exciting, and it's kind of unfortunate that we can't have that in this way. But I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling the emotion of you guys and your intelligence, and the energy you put into these robots, and seeing them work like this is it's pretty special, even though we're not together. So this is awesome. All right, I'm going to give you a 5 count for the last one here. Everyone ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And they are off. Team 1, stay out of the way so we can watch. Team 1 gets its first one. Team 4 is flapping away. They got their next one. Oh, they're going to get that one. Are they going to push it out of the way? Yeah, they get it in there. They get it in there. Oh, it's gonna stay in. It's gonna stay in. I got 2 in there now. I think 1 just got flipped.
Well,
that last can is just it's escaping.
No.
And Team 1, we've got 24 seconds to go. So it's possible.
Flawless. It's
possible to get in there, but it's got to get that can. And then Team 1 here has got 1 more with 8 seconds to go. Oh, and they missed it. But actually, it's still on there. But I think they're going to run out of time. We have 4 seconds to go, and we are timed.
Oh, that was close.
So they got it, but they don't count that last one because it wasn't on time. So what did we end up with? 5. And I think that Josh here maybe got 5 as well, but he's going to have 1 less point. How many did you get, Josh?
How many points did you get?
Yeah, I got 5.
5.
5 points or 5 cans?
5 cans.
5 cans.
1's lying down.
So 7,
so that's 7
points.
Right.
And
there.
Wow.
Oh, man.
4 takes it by a slight margin.
By a quarter point. 7.5 to 7.75. Wow, guys. I know everyone turn on the microphone. It's time for one last big applause.
Everyone unmute and cheer on.
Everybody. Awesome. All the last robots there in the semifinals and everything were fantastic and just wonderful. Wonderful to see you guys. I got to go to a meeting. I've not met most of you. I love you all. We'll be back. We'll see you around. Thank you so much for, again, being part of this, my 20th year announcing this thing.
Guys,
so
can
great.
I get a round of applause for Robin, our MC, please?
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Robin.
Super great. Well, I'll see you soon. Cheers.
Cheers, Robin. Thank you. Folks, that was amazing. Can I get everyone from Team 4 up on video? Have I got you all here? For Nick, Lewis, where are you? Michael.
Hey, what are you doing? Kevin!
Lewis, you're not Team 4, Holden. Guys, so you congratulations. Please send us a picture of you individually or as a team, whatever you've got. We'll put it on our webpage. And of course, you will be the recipients, mailed to you, of course, of some Keysight multimeters. I think used to be Fluke. So congratulations. And can everyone please unmute and join me for a round of applause for Team 4.
Yeah. Team 4, should we pull a Shamil style screenshot?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Awesome. Can I get Team 1 up?
Is that everyone just... I have no idea.
Team 1, please. Show us Where are you? I see some of you. Are you team one? Let's see.
Wait, what's happening?
People from other teams keep photobombing your podium here.
Sorry.
All right, we got people from all sorts of teams, but we need team one. We got all of you? Is that everyone from team one? I don't see the team numbers. So
I'm sorry, guys. How do I?
All right. Okay, I think we got team one. Team one for second place. Congratulations. So you will get a set of Raspberry Pis mailed to you, courtesy of New York Element 14. That was an incredibly close final. Oh my God. Amazing work though. Congratulations. Second place. Can everyone please join me in congratulating you? Please unmute and please clap.
Sorry, guys.
Way to go, all of you. All right, thank you so much. And then team 6, please. Third place on our podium. We got 1, 2, 3. We got one more of you, right? Davis, there you are. Okay, team 6, third place, also Raspberry Pis from New York Element 14. Amazing work again, super tight competition. You guys were going on average behind the first, second place team. So again, everyone please join me in congratulating team 6 for third place. Great work. All right. Thank you all so much. Now I was super impressed. We've scored more points in this competition than I think in any that we've run in the past. Can you all please join me in thanking everyone who's helped? Meaty, Bernard, Amar, Simon, Maria, Matan, and Dylan. So much work from these people to help you out. Thank you all. And some of it you guys didn't see, obviously, sort of backstage, so to speak, helping us get set up for the course. Dylan, thank you. Bernard, thank you. Meaty, thank you. That was a lot of work just getting stuff ready to send to you and all the logistics of the course and everything. So can you please join me in thanking our instruction team? Fantastic bunch. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Awesome. And one more thank you for our sponsors. Thanks so much for making this special for us. And to all of you, I know some of the robots worked, some didn't work, some worked for a while and then didn't work after that. I hope you all enjoyed the course anyways, and I hope you understand hopefully how much you've learned along the way, whether your robots worked in the end or not. You'll be back in competition like this in the fall now for 353 with Meaty. Yeah, for me, look, it was an absolute pleasure working with you this year, both in 259 and in this course. So I will miss you. Thank you so much for an amazing summer, and please turn in your robot pictures and enjoy the rest of your summer. You are now done. So enjoy your August, and thank you so much for everything.
Thank you. Thank you, Andre.
Simon,
thank you.
Thanks, Andre.
Thank you to Andre. So let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. All right. Thank you all. Go have some fun. Thank you so much.
The recording has stopped.